Who wants to play video games?
Hello? Hello? Happy Wednesday, my dudes. Happy Wednesday. Hi, Galvin. How are you? Welcome in, friends. Hello, Galvin. Hello, Dinah. Hello, Ains. Morgan, how are you? Mooncube, congrats on first. Cagley, how are you, my love? Welcome in, everyone. How are we feeling today? Today, how we feeling? Cagley, thank you. You're adorable. You're absolutely phenomenal, Cagley. How's your morning going? I'm glad you're doing all right. I'm pretty good today. Today was really a sweaty day, but I wanted to go outside and like do some stuff outside, so I did, and I got like a pretty solid workout in outside. I went roller skating for the first time today, and I absolutely busted my ass. But honestly, I'm kind of glad I did, because I was wearing all of my protective gear when I did. And now that I've like busted my ass once, I feel like I can handle it, you know? And also thank you to everyone who has hosted so far tonight. It means a lot. Thank you for all the hosts. Thank you, Dinah. How are you, love? And I feel good. Oh my god, what was on the menu for breakfast? What was on the menu? Tell me. I was going to bust on. If only, honestly. That would be the ideal situation. Sorry, what? What? I don't know. But yeah, I found like a pretty decent place to skate. And I went skating today, and I am so out of shape in terms of skating. Morgan, thank you for the host. Thank you for hosting, love. I appreciate you. Thank you. And if y'all didn't know, hosting helps boost me on the recommended page, and it doesn't matter if you're a streamer or not, if you have followers or not, it don't matter. It helps. So thank you. We love to see it. That everyone on TikTok does. Stop it. Was it good? Are you obsessed with it? Because I've been getting in that on my For You page too. Thank you for the hype, Morgan. Yeah, literally. So glad you're here, Morgan. So lovely to see you in these parts of the internet. Good evening, Atlan. How are you tonight? So, you know how I was talking about how I'm obsessed with this? I was obsessed with this last night during stream. It's just gotten exponentially more of an intense addiction. Yeah, of course, Morgan. Happy to have you here. Hello, JMG. How you been, love? So good to see you. I'm glad you're doing pretty all right, Atlan. Love to hear that. The song too. Now, no, literally, it's so good. I'm obsessed. I know, it's literally here. I'm gonna pause the music. We're gonna pause it. Stella's outside of my door too. It's so good. I genuinely feel like I want to do an ASMR stream probably sometime next week. Slug ASMR. Thank you, Dinah. If y'all didn't know, a week from tomorrow, I'm doing a charity stream. You should mark your calendars if you haven't already. We're raising money for Soft Giving's Reproductive Rights Fund. So if you like doing what you want with your reproductive organs, you know, you should stop by. Yeah, but I hope y'all had at least a decent day today. Before we get started, let's have a cheeky little wellness check. Yeah? Have y'all been eating? Have y'all been drinking water? If not, I need you to get some snackies, and I need you to get some water, and if you need to take your meds, go take your meds, okay? I've kind of been slacking on water today, I'm not gonna lie. I sweated a lot today, and I have not been replenishing, so I'm trying to like drink a whole one of these tonight. At least. Man, I hope y'all had a great day. Thank you, Dinah. Yes, let's take a motherfucking deep breath. Sabrina, thank you for the 7 months. It was so good to see you last night in Orange stream. How are you, love? Thank you for the 7 months. Thank you for the support. Let's take a deep breath. One sec. Let's take a deep breath. Let's breathe out through the mouth. In through the nose. And out through the mouth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, Sabrina, how you been? One sec. Dinner. Amazing, cool. My brain is not working with this music, so I'm gonna go to lo-fi. You know when sometimes your brain's working, then all of a sudden it's not working. That song is a banger. It's so good. It's so heckin' good. But I hope y'all had a good day. Tonight, I'm so excited for this stream because guess what the fuck we're doing? I am playing, no, literally, Dinah. I am playing Labyrinthine with none other than It's Kaggles and Dynamite Jones. And I'm so excited for it. That song instead. Yeah, I can imagine it. Cagley, me and Dinah were playing Labyrinthine a little bit last night, and we got a, what was it? It was a large, hard map, I think, on the back rooms. It was a moment. Okay, I lied. I want to listen to this playlist. Very large extreme in the back rooms. It's large and extreme, me too. But we were able to finish it, and I was very impressed. I was very impressed with us. TBH. Sick of those things. Yeah, honestly, kind of stressy in certain points, but yeah. And if y'all are not familiar with what Labyrinthine is, because I know I have not played it on here in so long, it is basically a game where you are in a maze, a labyrinth, if you will, and you're trying to do certain tasks and then find the exit to escape the maze. And on top of that, there's a bunch of monsters in there. There's a bunch of monsters that you need to avoid. And it's so spooky scary. And I have already played the entirety of the storyline of the game, but I have not, but we have a lot of case files, and it's kind of like, they're kind of like side quest type thing. One sec, I'm gonna get Stella. Stella was fully stuck in my bathroom. Crop circles with my glow sticks. No, literally, I'm so excited because it's been so long since I've played this game on stream, and this is the first time stream will see my cowboy hat and my glow sticks. I'm glad you've been good, Sabrina. Today I'm good. Today has been a good day. Thank you for asking. Little tiny twinge of anxiety earlier, but I'm feeling good today. I got some sun on my skin today with sunscreen, of course. Literally, we have our special glow sticks now. I'm so excited for any dangers. Literally, we got glow sticks on our side, besties. Yeah, but I'm very excited. And you know what I didn't do before stream? I did not test the game, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then we'll get into game with my friends. It's not ready. Oh, bestie, I think I know what it is, Dinah, and I'm excited. I'm excited. Bing boom, bing boom. Okay, I'm gonna test this really quickly. Yeah, but I hope all of y'all's Wednesdays was good. I hope y'all are taking care of yourselves mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, all that jazz. Yellow. Do 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 do. All right, surely the game is capturing. Ah, there we go. There we go. Santa, welcome in. How are you, Gorge? How are you? I hope you are having a wonderful Wednesday. Also, I absolutely meant to prep some of my peppers before stream, but I did not. I have like 2 more green bell peppers to eat, and I wanted to chop them up so I can easily snack on them. But that's okay. That's okay. If I need to snack on them, I will. I will. Okay. Cagley and Dinah, are y'all ready to go ahead and get in there? I'm gonna host it. I'm so excited too. I'm pretty sure last time I streamed Labyrinthine, I was level no, not even level 10. I think I was level like 5 or something. Is my camera lagging a little bit? Hold on, let me see. Oh, it's not really lagging for y'all, but it's lagging on my end in OBS. Weird. If y'all notice any lagging in the game or in my camera, please let me know. Negan, thank you for the host. I hope you're well. I hope you're well. Thank you, thank you. My name tag problem fixed. I saw that. That makes me so happy that it was able to be fixed easily, because that was gonna make me angry. I was going to be angry. But I'm really glad that that was resolved, and you don't need to worry about it anymore. I'm glad you're doing well. I'm good today. Thank you for asking. Thank you, thank you. Cheers to you as well. Cheers to you as well. Okay, my stream does look a little laggy. One sec. What can I close that could possibly help that? Let's see. No. I'm gonna go ahead and invite you, Dinah and Cagley. And then I'm gonna call y'all on Discord. My cowboy hat just fell off of the thing. That's okay. It'll stay on the floor for tonight. Talk to HR there. It was no easy feat. I hate that it wasn't easy for you, but I'm glad it got resolved, my friend. Cagley, yay! Oh my god, me clicking over here but meaning to click on you. Can I click on you? I wish I could click on you. That's upsetting. Me pausing my music. True, Dinah. Thank you. Alright, me calling y'all. And also making sure I have a cap on my Discord, perhaps? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi! How are y'all?
Oh shit, what are the challenges?
Let me see if I can get the Discord.
I'm good.
I'm so glad you're good, bestie. I'm seeing if I still have the Discord PNG thing for y'all. Oh my god, I do.
Aw, hell.
Aw.
Ew.
Can I have, Cagley, can you talk first just so I can test your audio? Cagley, so nice to meet you for the very first time.
Oh my God.
What are your pronouns?
My name is Gaggles, and my pronouns are she, they.
So lovely to meet you for the very
So
first
nice
time.
to meet you. We can put his hand out to shake.
Yes, please. Dynamite Jones?
Oh, my name is Dynamite Jones. My pronouns are she, they, and I'm an expert at trivia.
We love trivia in this house. Thank you. You both sound phenomenal. Tay, thank you for the 17 months. I love you. How are you? How are ya? I'm gonna put y'all's pronouns on screen real quick. If I can find my thingy thing. We're just gonna use this. No, not the last challenge I did in Phasmophobia being I am a vlogger. Ignore that. Cagley, she, they. Cute. Cute. Is that good? Oh, you can't really see it right now, but you'll be able to see it when we get in there. For Dinah, I know, right? I'm glad you're good. I'm alright. Thanks for asking. Heckin' cool. They're really cool. What can I say? They're pretty cool. They're pretty cool from what I can tell, you know. Okay, wait, yeah, the challenges are really easy.
We're gonna absolutely destroy them.
Wait one damn minute.
Me waiting a damn
Dinah.
minute.
Dinah.
Yes! Yes!
I see that hat. I see that hat on the campfire. I'm gonna piss my pants.
Then piss away, bestie.
All of a sudden, I'm your pants.
Oh my gosh.
I'm good, Rat. How are you? Welcome in. Good to see you.
Damn, I need a new hat.
I know, right? After seeing that hat, I'm like, damn, do I also save up for the clown hat?
This hat's tall as hell.
7 feet tall, all of a sudden.
Also, Paya, I'm willing to donate tickets for reroll tokens if we need them.
Okay, noted. I currently have 28.
Okay.
I think we should be good for a minute, but yes. I'm glad you're
Except
alright,
that
Rat.
very large extreme down there.
Oh yeah, she's gonna have to go, that's for sure.
2 lives.
Hello,
unkept
Tay.
pigeons.
How are you? Welcome in. Do I reroll the very large extreme, or do you all want to do the very small? Either the very small easy or the small easy. Either the mansion or the crypts.
Let's do the crib.
Yeah.
Okay, bestie. Easy. Start.
We're gonna win instantly.
Immaculate Sansa, thank you, thank you. What can I say? Also, these are my moderators. If y'all didn't happen to not know, Dinah and Cagley are my moderators, so they're really cool or whatever. But I'm better because I'm here, Tay. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm sorry you're cramping. I will personally come to you and put a hot pad wherever you are cramping. Uh-oh.
There's the names. We got this. It's the pig.
Oh, great. I'm gonna increase my in-game volume. Let's not put it at 100.
Wait, I'm lost.
Just a gut feeling.
You know what? I'll do
If the
one better, and I'll say that there's actually no enemies.
If the in-game volume
Cagley, I found
gets
out a way
too
to
much
do
for
that.
y'all, let me know. Let me know, and I will adjust the volume.
Absolutely do one with no enemies on it at all, and we just have
Okay.
a good, cool, fun time.
Right? Dinah's hat is immaculate. Oh, it do be Smiley, and he surely did get me.
Oh, butts.
Thank you, Sansa.
What's
H2O
the
BRB
levers, of
sounds
course?
good. Indeed. If you need to get H2O, please do so. Please do so. H2O is very important. I'm gonna change my keybind real quick. So I can do mute and deafen. There we go. It's so fast. I know! Isn't it? Okay, I feel like the game could be a little bit louder. Let's see. That should be good. Okay, give me my glow sticks. I didn't realize I was just deafened.
Cagley, I think I found your line of stuff. Oh, Cagley! Found
Yes?
another one
Nice.
right next to your other line of stuff.
Yeah, I see you. Oh, hey!
Hey, bestie.
I'm gonna go
Hey,
this
I've
way.
already left. We're speedrunning today.
Oh, absolutely we are.
Oh,
It's absolutely a speedrun night.
That's a dead end.
Okay. I thought you ran into Smiley, and I was like, I'm gonna stand still.
I
was a
got
dead
Smiley on
end,
me, so y'all are good.
And that was a dead end. But since we're speedrunning, I didn't put anything
Please
down.
walk the other way.
Cagley, can you hear me in game now?
Yeah.
Love that shit.
the way it's impossible to like get away from Smiley or like get to the side of Smiley in this map. I can't. I'm good though, but Smiley is definitely with me at the very beginning area.
Okay.
He always finds a way to get
Welcome
you
back,
anywhere.
Rat.
In the mini crypts right now. The narrow crypts.
I'm scared. I know he's right around here somewhere.
Uh-oh, I found
No
an exit.
way! He got me again. Okay, I need to turn up the in-game volume a lot more, I
Bestie.
think, so I can hear better.
That's gonna shut behind me. Oh.
If you find that last lever, though, I got the exit.
Thank y'all for carrying.
Thanks for distracting Smiley the whole time.
You know what? Yeah, I got you. I fully take on this role. How many lives do we have left? Oh, we have 1 life left. Nice, nice, nice. Okay.
Oh my goodness. Hi, you scared me.
I will not die this time.
Spooky wookie.
Not funny,
Oh, this
haha.
is-
Funny, I'm the bait for my team.
You can't go nowhere that way.
Okay, I'm gonna go this way.
There's the exit line.
Oh, that way's the exit? Okay.
Oui, chef.
Can confirm Smiley is still at the beginning with me.
Oh, I see Smiley. And I see a cheeky little flashlight.
Hi, it's me.
Hey, you.
Hey, you. Still looking for one last lever.
I didn't mean it. Okay.
I have found the last lever.
As soon as Smiley is not up my asshole anymore, I'll book it to the exit.
I found a reroll token. No way.
That's one of the challenges.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, come get it for y'all too, if you want, if you can, if you
Okay,
think that would count.
Deal. It's like, it's 100 XP and 5 tickets, so it's fucking worth it.
Down here, come to me.
Me coming?
Okay. Thank you.
Oh,
Are you okay? Oh, Smiley do be literally right there. I'm running to the safe house.
Token.
Oh, also, I need to change the game.
And pinching behind him.
I wish I brought my loafers.
Labyrinthine.
She's making too much noise.
Right. Oh, he's gonna turn around and come right back at us. I'll cry and then I'll die.
Game change? Okay,
Hiya, bestie. Where it?
good. If you're down the hallway where you saw me, oh, Smiley's down here. Just follow my lollipops if you went
Where
straight
Smiley
down.
boy is.
Yeah, over here. Right here.
Me going over here.
And it should be right here.
Whoa. Thanks, bestie. I'm gonna go back to
Yeah.
the exit.
Okay.
Oh. Oh no. There we go. That was really hard to pick up.
Silly little reroll token.
Oh shit! I accidentally found the entrance instead. That's not where I need to go.
I don't know which way the exit is, so I'm gonna follow you.
I think it's possibly this way to the left.
It is. You got it.
Okay.
Get us out of here, bestie.
We gonna get out of here alive, besties. 2 fatalities, but we'll just ignore that.
And in like less than 6 minutes.
Yeah, that was a good one. This one was a good one. It was a good round.
Wait, I'm coming in. Oh, go team.
Go team. Whee!
Yeah. Less than 6 minutes. Go team.
Easy.
Very nice. Easy. We got the reroll token and a small case.
Oh, and now there's a very small bamboo forest, and that's another challenge.
Oh. Surely we
Nice.
have to do that.
It would be rude not to.
It would be so rude not to. This is like my favorite map, by the way, the bamboo forest. It's so good. Y'all will see why. It's just so cool. I'm gonna open my ginger ale.
Aw, hell. I forgot I don't need my flashlight here.
Who needs a cheeky little flashlight in a bamboo forest? Not us.
Not me.
Mm-mm.
If it's clubfoot, I will uncream.
I will suck the cream back into my vagina. Ew.
I'll take it back. I swear.
Yeah.
I found exit.
Oh, that's
Oh.
so hot.
Love that. That is a dead end. Also, I think
It's
I'm gonna
clubfoot.
make... Ah, there we go. Okay, clubfoot.
Why is it always clubfoot?
And why couldn't we get clubfoot when we had the challenge to go against clubfoot?
Right.
This looks promising. I think I have found 2 safe houses. There's 3 in here.
That is awesome.
Come on, baby. Let me pick you up. Let me pick you up. Please, let me pick you up. Ugh. Imagine if there's 2 in the other one that I see. Oh. I hear amazing.
you still have
So
to exit?
glad.
I am, but I also can't leave because I hear clubfoot.
Yeah, but like, if Paya finds the other 2, we're done. We win. 2 minutes flat.
Guess what? The other one had the
Oh
other 2.
my
No
goodness.
way.
Beam us right out of
Oh.
here.
We are
You
too
already know
strong.
it.
Oh, there's a cosmetic. There's a cosmetic here if anyone wants it before we leave.
Wait, what does it look like?
It's I just picked it up. It's like a baseball cap with like red and like a star in the middle. It's not very cute, but
Yay. Oh, I don't know. Do you want it, Dinah? Because
No, I'm ready for that huge exit.
okay. Let's get out of here.
Hey,
Okay.
where is it?
It's
show
right
me.
here.
Go anyway.
Oh.
Me on the table. Oh, 2 minutes.
Oh my god, we're fucking pros at this game.
That was busted.
Yeah. That was so good. The fact that the 2 safe houses were literally right next to each other too. The last challenge is literally just to complete 5 cases.
We're just winners.
Massive dubs tonight, y'all.
Very large extreme, I guess.
Stop.
Okay, medium extreme.
Yeah, medium extreme for sure. if y'all want to do medium extreme in the mansion. Or I could re-roll. Let me re-roll the very large extreme, perhaps.
I feel like I might like trenches the most.
I was just thinking that the trenches are honestly really difficult. Another one. No way. Get the trenches out of here. If it was the trenches again, I was gonna scream. With the S. What y'all thinking? I don't know about medium extreme just yet, but I could perhaps be persuaded.
I feel like I'm down to do whatever just to get them out of the queue.
yeah.
Okay, let's try this medium extreme, and if we fail, that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which of course we won't, because we'll win without dying at all, and we'll find everything in 4 minutes or less. But
Right. Yeah.
hate that noise so much. It's so loud.
The stairs, yeah.
The flashlight.
I'm not
Oh,
scared of anything.
not a
hell
damn
yeah.
thing. A
I'm
little bit
scared of
louder.
dead ends.
That's a valid thing to be scared of.
Immediately seen an enemy.
Wait, who was it?
I think it's the lady that goes through the walls.
Ew. Okay.
I found a painting in this bedroom. The only problem is it is not a safe room.
Oh, okay. Oh
But
yeah,
I'm still
she's
gonna put the pink
right there.
circle outside of it
Okay, sounds good.
because there's a painting in there and we don't need it.
We do gonna be needing that, don't we? I'm gonna go the opposite way of her. There's something else down there? I don't know what. There is
Oh,
something
hell.
else down there.
She just screamed at me.
Oh, maybe that was her scream actually then. That I heard. Nope.
Oh, there's two of them on me.
Two of the
Oh my
ghost
gosh.
ladies?
Okay, that's a third.
Mm-hmm.
Amateurs can fucking suck it, fuck their wives, drink their blood.
Excuse me, thank you for the year. Thank you for the 12 months. Thank you for your prime. I appreciate you. I hope you're well. Thank you for the support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Daddy Bezos. Oh my god, every time I come out here, she screams at me.
Oh, did I find a safe house? Ooh, I did find a safe house.
From what I remember, she's honestly not that fast, so I might try to run. Oh, there she is.
Yeah, you can straight up outrun her.
Okay.
But, she can cut corners and go through walls. That's like the big thing.
I'm too scared.
Yeah, Skewy.
I'm too nervous.
If you can find the exit, I found another painting.
Oh, wow. Okay. I'm going. I'm not looking back.
Fuck.
Yeah, there's
green
definitely
ass
at
lady
least
wrong.
two.
Alright, I am now being puppy guarded.
Not the puppy
Does not
guard.
capture the flag, Bethany.
Yeah,
Clubfoot.
Bethany.
Let me out of here.
Oh?
Oh no, I hear Clubfoot too. Hi, Clubby Wubby. Do you want me to look at you?
Surely you don't look at him. I'm hearing spooky
Damn, this
wookies.
Clubby Wubby is loud.
I have found a safe room, perhaps? With no paintings, so it's useless. But I'll still mark it with a pink circle. Is my go-to procrastination?
I'm gonna piss my
Mhm.
pants.
It's so good, isn't it? How are
Out
you
of fear.
today? How are you today?
I am still blocked in this safe room.
I'm gonna mark the safe room. Yeah, but I love the puzzles.
Please, surely there's gotta be give me something, game.
I am back out and about, running. Frolicking, if you will.
Maybe I can just occupy Clubfoot.
Put glow sticks down, so I'm gonna try and follow my piss.
Okay!
Oh, I found the exit, I found the
Oh,
exit.
Kegley, I'm behind you too. Hell
okay.
yes.
Okay, what number is the guy who looks like a real wiener?
Bessie.
Oh, Bessie.
They all look like that.
Damn it.
They all look like peepees.
He looks like he's looking
Oh, no.
down at you. He's just sitting in a chair. He has huge nostrils,
For smart people.
Does he
Exactly.
have,
black coat.
yeah, and he's got like
Any
little white
tickets?
collar that's
No.
sticking out, and his
Yeah.
eyebrows are like snatched.
Okay,
Number
I'm
one.
hearing scary things.
Damn. Alright, it's been set. Let me see if I can get to that other room.
Green. Okay, good. Surely the exit is a safe room, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
The exit is
Okay.
In fact the safe room. But this room I'm
You're
about to go
welcome,
in is
Lumi,
not
you're
a safe
welcome.
room. Okay,
Number
the
two
next
is
painting.
green hair guy is number 2.
Is that green? I can't tell if it's green hair. Does he have his hand on a green table?
Yes.
Flawless. Number 2
And
is
then-
Seth.
If you see a painting with a guy looking real smug sitting in a big chair
Not the
with
smug
a
guy.
red coat on, that's 3.
I'm hiding.
And then number 4 is man looking off to the distance,
One sec.
pondering existence.
The fact that this room is not a safe room. I just heard somebody click their flashlight. Save me.
We good. Okay, which painting are we looking for now? Sorry, I was AFK for a sec.
We just need 3 and 4.
Okie
Oh.
dokie.
I don't fuck with that crying, that's for damn sure.
That is not my favorite noise. I will tell you that.
Okay, I found a chandelier.
I'm gonna go first.
Gotcha.
Hello?
Wonderful,
This is
then.
fully a dead end. That's fun and cool. I didn't really want any objectives anyway, so.
Safe house. Oh wait!
My bad. Yeah. It's gonna be in my bed right there.
Excuse me. Okay. I hear.
Ooh, I'm gonna get cut off.
I'm gonna respectfully delete your message just because I don't really like the
Anyone
energy
wants
from it.
a really ugly yellow and black striped cap?
I think we get extra XP from collecting cosmetics, so I may perhaps just collect it for that.
Surely we do.
Surely we do.
I'm here chilling at the exit for a hot
Hi.
second.
I'll take it. I'll take it. It's giving Bumblebee. I sure do hear Clubfoot in the distance. I do like the music in this room a lot. It's calming. That's more like it. Apology accepted. I'm going for it. She screamed at me. Oh, another one. Both of them screamed at me. Surely there's a safe house
There's so many little
somewhere.
ghosties.
I think both of them de-aggroed off of me, so I'm good for now. Oh, I hate the laughing.
If I run into Clubfoot, I'm just accepting my L.
That's fair.
Oh, no.
Did you run into Clubfoot?
No. Oh, I found a reroll token just sitting on the floor.
No way.
The only problem is I am currently being run down by
Not the dead
2
end.
ghost women. Oh, hey, look, a 3rd ghost woman. Oh, hey, major lag. I got downed.
Oh no. R.I.P.
I'm close to the exit if anybody's close to the exit.
Actually about to go down.
Oh, I am not close to the exit. I'm in new
Uh-oh.
territory right
Uh-oh.
now.
Oh, hell yeah, I'll pass here.
No way, this is another dead end. I'm upset. Do not come down this way. This is a bad way.
Too slow, can't catch me. I'm at the exit.
I'm still running through uncharted territory, but have only found dead ends so far. Okay, that's a dead end, and so is that, it looks like. Dead end.
Enough with the crying. I don't care.
I'm sorry that you're crying, but I truly don't care.
I just want
Is
to
this a
find
safe
the
house?
last painting.
Oh, this is a nice
At one
safe
point,
house room.
I don't know if anyone else has come across it, but I saw like this big room, and there was a pile of skulls, and I didn't really get to
Also came across that room.
explore that room very well because I started to get chased. But I feel like maybe
Yeah.
there was something more there.
No, this room is not safe. Oh, this room is not safe. Okay, so one of the rooms with the pink circle in front of it with the bed and the chair and the
Yeah.
fireplace, not safe.
Correct.
Oh.
I looked at Clubfoot. Hey, my mistake, Clubby. Oh, hey,
Rip.
cool. Dead end. I'm gonna jump on top of this table.
Also, just to be safe in case anyone is unaware, those are my rules
Oh
for
my
the stream.
goodness. You de-aggroed.
Nice. Death!
If we can
Okay.
manage to find the last one, I can't really leave the exit right now because I hear something near me.
That's fair.
but if-
We do still have 2 lives left, which is quite good, IMO. I'm going back out there, besties.
Clubfoot, please don't be here. I forgot you existed. I'm at the bone altar.
Anything exciting over there?
A ghost.
Oh.
No stuff though.
Let's see.
Don't start freaking whining at me now. You just tried to kill me, asshole.
Have found purpose? Hell yeah. Yeah, I've heard of those. I've never had one though, because I'm
Me
vegan.
also, the
And
exit now.
they have dairy. But they look yummy.
What's up?
thing went off to the right. So I've just been sitting here patiently.
That's valid.
Do you know where the last painting is?
I might retrace my path.
Oh, bumblebee hat.
Oh Lord!
One of them screamed at me.
Screamed at me as well.
Maybe we're close to each other. Good evening, Ganeth. How are you, friend? Oh, it de-aggroed. I'm good. Love that, guys, gals, gays, theys. Have we already found this one? I screenshotted it and sent it in our chat. It looked like we found it, but I don't know if it's set to the right number.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Clubfoot's right by the exit. by the way.
Mika? Hi, Mika, how are you? Why'd you say, please? Cookies and cream popcorn? Wait, stop it. That sounds so yummy. I hope you're enjoying it. That literally sounds fucking divine. I need some of that in my life. Okay, I'm running. Running, and running. Okay, we're running this way instead. Oh, that looks like a dead end. To the popcorn, please. Okay, I was like, are you saying to the picture of the man? I wasn't gonna judge either way. And I like to please. No, that literally sounds so yummy. I kind of want to make that myself. Just from like crushed up Oreos maybe, and then popcorn.
Alright, time to take my poo-poo pants and exit this room. Time to go back into the room. Sorry, Clubfoot, did not mean to upset you.
I have looped my way back to the entrance.
Huh. It's funky.
You're good, I read the messages backwards. Funky silly. Oh, let's go this way.
I hear another music box, but I think it was the room I was just in.
Same.
She's just standing there. Floating. I don't know if
I heard a door
lag.
lock. I'm scared.
Oh, I just saw 3 at once. I'm going back to the safe room.
I'm in the giant room with the skulls. Oh, but she's found me. Oh,
Yeah.
she's absolutely found me.
That's where I saw 3 of them. Hey,
Go the other
come
way,
over here.
bestie. Okay.
Come this way.
Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right here.
Oh my god, thank you so much.
Oh, you can walk through me.
Is anyone in the exit? I think this is the room, right?
We
Do leave
are,
the
yeah.
Yes, we exit.
Sounds phenomenal.
Did that not do it? Still need one? Oh no, we still need one.
Oh no.
This was the
You're
last
kidding.
one! And I'm in the diamond and did it!
Oh no. Like the painting wasn't in a safe spot?
No, it's in a safe spot, but it was like 3 long corridors just by themselves.
Which number did you get?
Oh, I got 4.
Okay, we're just looking for the dude with the red jacket. Ooh, she just went to the left. Are you puppy guarding something important, ma'am? Perhaps.
Emmy, something is close to me, and I don't know what to do.
Be careful, bestie.
So I'm just gonna hide in the safe house for a little bit.
That's valid. I'm so sad that the safe house straight from the exit doesn't have a single painting in it. Disappointing. And this one has already been...
How funny would it be if just one of the end paintings was the last painting?
Stop!
That would be a huge debate moment.
That would be a huge funny haha. Which way is she coming from? I'm nervous. This is new. Hold.
I'm a little bit confused because I hear Clubfoot right next to me, but I don't know how he's here because there's nothing in front of me.
Oh, that is scary. What the heck? Where is this friggin'... I thought for sure there would be something down here. Okay. That's a dead end. I'm not sure what that is. This has already been very much explored, but oh, this is the entrance. Okay. Mika, I got it off of
Oh, the last
Amazon.
one's probably gonna be a puzzle.
I got it off of Amazon. If you're looking it up on Amazon as well, look up fidget toy slug, I believe. But when I was looking it up, I think Toys R Us also had it. Toys R Us? Are Toys R Us even around anymore? It was another popular toy store. But I just got it off of Amazon. Okay, so she's still near me. We should start a slug cult. I'm gonna go this way. Stay away from me, Miss Ma'am. So I was exploring this
Wait,
area
Bessie, where
here.
are ya?
And this was kind of new.
I'm
Right
scared.
next to a clubfoot. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
I can't
Hi.
leave my. Oh, I
It was
can't leave
good.
my area.
Trying
surely
to
there's gotta be a puzzle.
right? That's what I'm thinking, but I feel like we've pretty much explored everywhere at this point. Unless we haven't.
Yeah, I guess unless we haven't.
Mhm.
But the fact that it could also just be on a wall.
Right? We have explored every direction
Clubbers.
from the bones.
I won't
Except for
look.
this way? I'm going this way. I'm going straight. I think she's de-aggroed. Are you okay?
What
Oh.
happened?
My apologies, milady.
Oh,
Okay, so where I wasn't doing anything, I was.
no, Clubfoot. It was nothing. I didn't mean nothing by it, I swear.
Not a damn thing. I keep finding myself by the entrance and exit areas. My wrist is itchy. I got a bunch of mosquito bites when I was outside today. Not super fun.
I love how random Clubfoot's de-aggro time seems to be.
I don't
Oh,
want to
my
jinx
bad.
it, but I have not seen Clubfoot
There's a
yet.
door right here. and I
Oh,
want to go in it.
Like a special.
she's near
door?
me.
It gives me special door vibes.
Stop it, I found it. It was on a wall. Hold on.
Fucking knew it.
How do I...
That piece of shit.
I got it.
Me
It was
running
literally
from
on
the
a
exit.
random freaking wall. Oh my god, that's so annoying. Yeah, let's get the heck out of here.
I'm almost there.
Oh, she's screaming at me. I hear more laughing.
Oh, it's our turn to leave.
Nice.
600 base experience?
That's pretty solid.
Oh, wow.
That's so hot.
That was hot. That was hot and spicy.
That was extreme.
That we just did an extreme map.
What's this? Large extreme. No thanks.
Ding dong ding dong.
We've done our extreme for the day, you know?
Yeah.
I love the extreme.
Messolano, I
honestly,
hope you're
because
well.
We're just too cracked to lose.
Simply too cracked.
What if we did the very small easy.
Surely we,
Doing the
yeah.
same thing,
It's
Bestie.
just like a
Yeah, it's all
way to
about
relax,
balance.
you know?
Yeah,
A little
exactly.
wind down, a little reward.
Exactly. It's all about balance.
Oh, beautiful.
We're pulling levers. I'll take the right. What do I hear?
We got it. Less than 5 minutes.
Found a lever.
Exactly.
Exactly. And I found a note. Some crazy bitch chased us. She got real close to me, but I managed to blind her. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's the
Dumb
hag.
Loser hag.
Yeah.
That's a dead end, Caggles.
Getting
I'm-
hedges.
I'm nearby the hag.
Meep. Moop. Meep. Moop.
Hag, I'm
Me-
literally not afraid
Well-
of you. Hey, bitch.
Good evening, Miss Solano. How was your day? Let's do green.
Hey, Cagley.
That's a dead
Yeah.
end.
I may be bringing her to us.
Ah.
Cagley, what's good?
The moon looks so pretty.
What you want, you
What is
bitch?
this? Is
Oh,
this
uh-oh.
a puzzle? Is this a puzzle, perhaps?
I
Hi.
need to stop getting cocky when I
Oh, nice.
I get as much lag as I get.
Fair. We just need one more lever.
Hey, don't go back over there. Hey, you. No. Yeah, come here.
Okay.
Come here so I can blind you.
I
Hey. Come on. I want you to go the other way.
I have
that
found
way.
the exit.
Hell yeah. I have a beat on where the last lever might be.
Okay.
And now that she's finally walking away from where I was trying to get to. Watch there be a second hag that is currently actively at the place I was trying to go.
Imagine.
This was the longest dead end
Oh, that's annoying.
the
Ugh,
world has ever seen.
I see a house
she's
right
on
here.
me again.
I don't know if we've been to this house.
Oh, I found a house.
Oh,
Uh-oh. I may or may not be at a dead end, and the hag may or may not be up my asshole.
uh-oh.
Get out of my asshole, hag.
Please
shit
get
to
out of
do.
my asshole.
Bestie, I got shit to do.
I found it. I found it.
Fuck yeah, get us out of here.
Very Tugman the way she started running towards us.
She's fully on me. Save me.
Let's see. We're close to the exit. Oof.
Don't worry. Country
He
roads
wants me
take you
so
home.
bad.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Very
Easy.
nice.
She's still screaming at me.
Of course she is.
During this entire outro sequence. She'd just be screaming.
One more
Screaming.
case to finish the last challenge.
This has been the
Yeah, thank you.
fastest I think we've ever completed like all 4 challenges. Well, I say that, but I don't want to get held up on this last one.
Perhaps a cheeky little medium normal?
Yeah, I'm down for the medium normal. I can get jiggy with a medium normal.
It's the snowy map, right?
It looks like it, yeah.
Or nor.
I like the snow. The snar. The snow noises are kind of nice. I like them. Y'all will see.
Alright, we're winners.
We're finding some seals.
Ooh.
I feel like I can like feel the snow on my face during this one. I can feel it.
Oh, this is weird as hell. I just found a bunch of coffins,
Oh, nice.
and now I'm hiding on top of them. But something tells me that that's not gonna dissuade whoever our killer is.
Probably not. Ooh. It's Smiley. Oh, he's found me. Would you like, here, I'm gonna crawl towards you.
I'm here for you, Bestie. Get up.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Alright. Alrighty.
Alright.
Let's hope that Smiley is the only thing in here.
Yeah. I am down for just some Smiley.
One smiley and nothing else.
Oh.
Dead end.
Lots of dead ends.
I'm doing the official labyrinth technique.
Nice.
It's the technique.
Just left all the time. Just
my God.
constantly left. This way, if I find nothing else, I will find the exit.
I want everyone to know I just turned a corner, saw my like shadow of my flashlight, and jumped because I got scared.
Amazing.
Yeah, over there, and I think I'm
Irate! Thank you for the 9 months! Literally, thank you so much for the support. I appreciate you. Thank you for the sub. Thank you for the support. I hope all is well with you. Very kind of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. I'm gonna go back this way. Thank you so much for the support. Much appreciated. Ooh, this is uncharted territory.
And me right now?
I am in the very skinny hedges, hoping for the best.
Okay, I found a safe house. In this safe house, there's a ladder.
Rainbow! Thank you for the lurk, love. I hope you're well. I was lurking in your stream a little bit earlier. Your sweater was so cute. It looks so comfy. One sec. Boom, boom, boom.
Found a safe house. Oh. Yeah.
Nice. I appreciate you, Rainbow.
Was there a note? I didn't even look to see if there was a note. There is no note.
Oh, nice.
There is only one in this safe house.
I'm pretty convinced there's nothing in the skinny hedges, but I'm gonna keep searching in them for a little bit longer.
I'm back on the official labyrinth grind,
Nice. We love to see it.
and I just have country songs stuck in my head for no reason.
Which one?
Well, whatever you do,
I will. Oh, fuck, he got me! Is that a country song?
Yeah, I think it's like Bryan Adams or some shit. I don't know
Bestie,
if anyone in chat can confirm.
I think I literally know that song. I don't think it's a country song, but I used to know how to play it on piano.
Oh hell. I found the exit
Nice.
because the fucking labyrinth technique is cracked as hell.
It truly is, honestly.
We need 2 more, so I'm gonna continue this gorgeous pattern.
But it's like just Smiley. Like I haven't heard anything else, right? Like no one's heard.
Yeah. I have not heard anything other than Smiley.
I don't want to go into the small.
Just my own deep labored breathing.
Stop.
Okay, this safe house has absolutely nothing in it.
Oh, amazing. Just what I wanted.
I'm gonna put some pinkies in front of it.
Not my pinky.
Sorry. Should have been more careful about your pinky, I guess.
You're right.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Smiley's near me. I'm running to the safe house. I got there by a hair.
Nice.
The pit is here. Oh, I haven't seen anything this... I'm seeing somebody. I'm seeing somebody with some pink glow steesh. Smiley went that way.
Ooh.
This is welcome to the exit. Oh, actually, welcome to a dead end.
I have found a ground puzzle. Oh no. Oh, it's the one I'm not good at, besties.
You got this.
I don't know about that.
I think you can do it.
I will try.
The one
Alright.
where when you press a thing, it lights up the ones around it or turns off the ones around it.
Correct.
You got this.
I don't know.
Will be
I've
your
never
first
gotten this one.
official Success.
Right. Okay, let's just think about it. This one really hurts my
There's a
brain, I'm not
smiley
gonna
on the
lie.
towel. Brian Adams believes in you.
Wow.
But even still, it'll probably only give one.
There's no way you walk on top of my whole hole.
Not the
You
whole
didn't walk
hole.
on top of my whole hole. My whole hole is whole is safe. Oh lord. I just clenched my cheeks so hard then.
Stop.
Oh! This is the way that no one's been before. I lied. I lied. That's the way we've been.
It's okay.
Smiley was en route towards an exit.
Oh, I forgot that I can literally watch what you are doing.
True, you sure can. Feel free to give advice.
To backseat?
To backseat, yes. Dynamite Jones.
Dynamite Jones, official backseating squad. Now do the other corner. Yeah. Now do the other corner.
And this one?
Yeah. Or the... I don't know.
I don't know either.
Wait, okay, I do know. Do the corner.
Same one?
This corner you're at right now.
Okay.
Or maybe I'm so incredibly behind on stream that
Perhaps.
it's a game of corners. Do all the corners that are off. Let me refresh stream. Get fresh.
Smiley is with me at the puzzle, but he is turning around. Okay,
Oh,
let's
hell
see.
yeah. Bye, Smiles.
Bye, Smiles. Wait a second. Nope. Frick.
Hey, that's the entrance? How the hell did I end up here again?
maybe.
Kegley, this is such a perfect pink line in front of the safe house. Like, damn. Good work. Oh Oh shit. Smiley just so happened to be walking toward me.
Oh, I hate that. Nasty biz.
But from a distance in a really spooky way.
Oh, hi. Yeah, please, take over.
I'm gonna have a look.
Okay.
Look at it and try and use my brain.
Big, massive brain noggin.
Does it open a mausoleum, this puzzle?
It opens a gated area. Let me see if I can take a peek into the gated area. Oh yeah, there is one singular seal in there, it seems.
Just one, damn.
Yeah, I might, Cagley, if you're okay taking over this, I might search around here. Because all this area is uncharted. Dead end, nice. Hell yeah, we love that good dead end.
Now this game, but with an adversary mode. So one person plays as the monster.
Oh my god, imagine.
Faz needs to do that still.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with Faz right now. It ain't it.
Oh, I wonder if he was gonna be able to see this if I launch this to the sky.
Let's see. Oh, I think these are Cagleys. This is a dead end. You may or may not have ordered a gay slug. Mika, are we starting a cult? A gay slug cult? If you did happen to may have order a gay slug, I'm very excited for you. Because I love mine, and I'm sure you will love yours. I'm very excited for you to have it. Okay, I think I go back. Glay slug. Glay? Oh no. Gay slug. Okay, yes. Not the glay. I thought I was seeing a building that I could get into. But now I do not see the... Oh, there's another building. This is a dead end. This is also a dead end. Not another dead end. What can I say? I know, right? Such good sound. Such good, relaxing sound.
Done it. I've done the
Oh
puzzle.
my god. Good job!
Done the puzzle.
And I just found another house.
Oh, hell yeah.
Surely this house has...
That's it.
Let's leave.
Amazing. Amazing! And the gay. Of course, you can't forget the gay.
That was a huge cracked ending.
It was,
was.
honestly. That timing was perfect.
That
Good
was
job.
sexy as hell. I was standing there just toggling between the two slots, smashing D, while you two did the real work.
That's funny. We completed all of the challenges.
Right?
Wow.
Oh, imagine being as cracked as we are. Well, I don't have to imagine because I am.
Indeed. I really want a backrooms one tonight.
I think if we... I think we'll get some backrooms.
You broke up a little bit. What did you say?
I think if we push our way through the very small and small ones, we'll get some backrooms.
I'm down. Do we do the crypts or the trenches? They're both not my faves.
Oh, maybe I don't know. What if we rerolled? What if we just rerolled?
Yeah. Or also the mansion. Yeah, these are not.
Let's get
Not
rid
fun.
of the large extreme. We could do.
Yeah,
right outside the
agreed.
door.
Oh,
Okay,
very
cool.
hot. Okay.
Oh yeah, of course.
Of course. Yeah. No.
80 centipedes. I would cry, and I just wouldn't stop crying.
Just constantly crying. I'm rerolling all of them. Ugh. Come on now, give me something good.
Damn, the maps are not being nice today.
Bullshit. We
Literally.
get one life
Thank you,
and
River.
it's normal difficulty. Bullshit.
Yeah, that's not fun.
Unless there's no fucking monsters.
Right? I'm gonna do very small easy.
Oh, I love that map so much.
Do we do the very large, very hard? I don't
Kegly,
know.
I know you hate the cornfield.
It just
Can we
scares
just
me.
can we hold on to that map?
Yes.
And
We can
reroll
hold on
everyone?
to it. We can hold on to it, yes.
'Cause
I
would let that map come in my mouth.
Okay, valid. I'm gonna get rid of the small very hard. In hopes of literally anything else. We keep getting the snow one tonight. I don't want the mansion. I don't want the snow again.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
we do this. Yeah, we do these. Llama, thank you for the hydrate and thank you, my mods. I hope you're well. Cheers. Into the sewers we go. I hate the wet steps though. That's the only thing on this one.
Yeah, on snow map, I turned my footsteps all the way down.
That's fair. You don't like the crunching of the
Actually,
snow?
it becomes too much.
Yeah, that's understandable. I may have just found the exit. I did. The exit is just a bunch of lefts from the entrance. Oh my god, Plant! Hello, bestie. How are you? Good to see you. How goes? Oh my god, my eyes.
Wait, Plant is in chat.
Yes, Plant is in chat.
Plant
Would you
with
like to
the
say hello to them?
Banger Stardew Valley guide.
Literally, such a good guide.
Oh, I have been using it nonstop.
I'm so glad you've been having use of it. Should I know it's okay? Staying out later than expected. Oh, I love that. I hope y'all had a good time. No worries at all. No worries.
Here we go. Time to get creamy.
It's literally so good. I used your guide a little bit yesterday.
Safe house.
Oh, nice. I used it a little bit yesterday to help find some walnuts. It was lovely. Discount margaritas? Oh my god, yes. Let's go. Let's freaking
Alas,
go.
there is not.
Spooky scaries. That is a dead end.
I've never seen any notes about the centipede.
Yeah, you're right. Ooh, I just got chills. I hate the noises in this map. Like the steps. The steps are bad.
Clubfoot.
It's a heavy breathing,
Oh,
right?
no way. One moment, please. Okay, good. In this maze here, we absolutely are. Moonkip, how are you? Welcome in. We absolutely are holding hands firmly. My hand's sweating. I hope you don't mind. Hope you don't mind. That's just one big loop. Nice. And that is a dead end. That is a dead end. No need to go there. I cannot with the wet sounds. Usually I'm okay with wet sounds, but in this particular instance, I am not a big fan of the wet sounds. How was your lurk then? How was your lurk? What you been up to?
Safety house.
There are literal feet going up my ass cheeks right now.
Oh no!
I do believe he's walked on top of me.
That's
Oh,
terrible. That hurts me. This map is giving me chills in like not a good way.
There's never any tickets.
Literally.
The safety houses are garbage.
Garbage. Useless. Useless. This is one big dead end. Nice.
Around. Nothing up my cheeks that I know of.
Maybe there's something up there. I'm just unaware. I'm gonna go this way. Shocker, I know. Such a big shocker, damn. But hey, it's okay. You learn something every time you fail. It's okay.
Here's some jingle jangles.
Not the jangles.
Jingle
Ooh.
bells.
I found an engine room. Oh my god. Oh wait, no, stop. Okay, here we go.
That's an absolute creamery.
We just need to find the valve and the blue one.
Well, just call me the one who found the blue one, because I found the blue one.
Oh wow, the one who found the blue one. I'm so proud of you for finding the blue one. Oh, not the chains. Not the chains hanging from the ceiling. That's kind of sexy. Damn. Okay, this is red.
This one's easy.
Right?
This one's
Yes.
just, hey, yeah, there was a man in the sewer. I didn't look at him. I left.
Oh, hi.
What's good?
This is kind of a lot of new area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do hear you breathing, and I do apologize for what's going on with you, but like, go away.
Please go away. I will go this way.
Rad.
I think, yeah, it just led back, but I might go back and explore more. Wait. Oh, wait, no, this is the blue area.
Yeah.
Nice.
There's more, if you come the way that I came, there's more, diverging paths.
I will come the way that you came.
Excellent. Oh, I found a safe house. Tell me there's a valve in here or I'll cry.
Surely there's a valve, right?
Consider me crying.
Oh. Damn.
Boo-hoo. Wah.
I'm going this way. This probably just loops back. No, it's a dead end. Amazing.
Now we leave.
Now we leave. The exit was near the entrance.
Yeah. We're so far away from the entrance.
I know. Posture. Good.
Hey.
Ha.
The one thing that I will give to the monster in the back rooms is you don't know if it is your friend coming around the corner with a flashlight
Right.
or the monster.
Yeah. Cagley, I think that was the first time that I played the backrooms with Dinah on the extreme that I was like genuinely very scared because there was
Oh my
so many
gosh,
of the
yeah.
monsters.
It's the first time that I think anybody's ever passed on the back rooms. But to be
Yeah.
fair, there were lag issues.
Indeed.
It was annoying.
Hey, besties, watch this.
Be you watching? Oh my god.
I'm
Get us
watching.
out of here, bestie. Let us out of here. Nice. Good job.
Wow, we crushed it
Wow, we.
as a team.
Good teamwork.
Backrooms? No, no backrooms.
I'm gonna check how many tickets I have. I have 10 reroll tokens left.
Surely we get rid of the two extremes, right?
Yeah.
Saving for anything in particular?
Me?
Yeah.
I think-
Saving.
Like, it's not urgent, but I would like to get the cross glow sticks at some point. Stop it! Thank you! I have 96 now. Thank you, thank you.
Not anymore.
I'm buying them. Thank you. I'm gonna try them out this map. Thank you so much.
Of Christmas.
I will say, like, the one really kind of cracked thing about the lollipops is you can tell, like, which direction I was dropping them in, you know?
Yeah.
I like that about them a lot. I'm gonna use the crosses. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, me re-rolling.
Crowdfunding, folks. Speaking of crowdfunding.
Thank you. I'm gonna re-roll this extreme. And now I'm gonna re-roll this extreme. Fuck.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
I feel like you only get the backrooms if it's after 11 p.m.
Yeah, it has to be late night gaming hours for the backrooms. Oh my god, the little crosses are so cute.
Oh, let's see them.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Love.
They need to do O's so that we can do
tic-tac-toe.
go with.
Tic-tac-toe would be so funny. I love that. Oh, I love the little crosses. Bad. I love the little red crosses. That's cute. That's so cute. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go where Cagley went. I'm gonna lift up my desk so I can force myself to have better posture. You know? As one does. That's... Oh. I collided with Dynamite's path. And there's Cagley again. Huh. I'm gonna go this way. Do we keep left? Oh, that just looks like a loop. Unless this is open. This
Map
is
again.
open.
This is a big.
Clubby Wubby.
I do indeed
found the
also hear
exit.
Clubby Wubby. Oh, nice.
I found a safe house. With
Nice.
3 in it.
Amazing.
Imagine we found a safe house and all 5 were in it.
That would be sick. I feel like Clubfoot is very close to me.
Cagley, hold tight. We're gonna find these last ones. Oh, just kidding. It was absolutely a dead end.
Damn. The way all of these are not
Oh.
taken yet.
It's gonna fuck me up so hard. The crosses and the stars look very similar.
Ah. Fuck me up.
So I guess I just gotta buy new ones.
Simple solution.
The puzzle.
Which puzzle?
Easy puzzle.
Oh, we love an easy puzzle.
We got this speedrun energy.
Such a big open spot. Oh, I see you. Keep doing your thing. I'm gonna go this way. And this looks like... Nice, good job. This looks like this just loops around. It does. Okay. I'm gonna go this way.
Exits that way, bestie.
I'm manifesting somebody finding the last one.
I may have found a safe house that has not been explored yet that may have the last one. It sure does.
Boom. Manifesting.
Manifestation at its finest, bestie.
All it takes. How are we so good at this game?
We're actually cracked. That super duper gay. We love to hear it. How was your day? How you been, friend? Welcome in. Welcome in.
Surely we do the very small.
The very small easy. Two
to
lives.
win, and then see if we can get back rooms.
I'm down for that.
I honestly want very large extreme on the back rooms again.
That was honestly like it was hard, but it was doable.
Right.
Oh, plant. I just saw your message. But it sounds like this, and I changed it immediately.
I
Oh,
found a safe
valid.
house. No, I didn't. I just thought it was a safe house directly in front of us. I got too confident.
let's see.
But I did find the exit.
Oh, hey, nice.
It is immediately to the left.
We love that. Easy peas. I'm gonna keep going left.
I'm doing a
Official-
blue line from the entrance. To
Official
the
labyrinthine strat here. Leftover wing shamelessly messy. Honestly, enjoy yourself. Hell yeah. We love to see it. But yeah, you're good. You're good. I'm glad I saw the message. I've been putting my chat into slow mode lately because I notice whenever
you
I...
guys about how on this map I walk on the wall.
Yeah. I think I hear pig noises.
Oh shit, me too.
I've been throwing my chat into slow mode lately because I notice sometimes whenever I'm rewatching my VODs that I have been missing messages lately, so slow mode definitely helps, but even in slow mode sometimes I miss messages.
In a dead end. Don't come down this way.
Wait, I hear the hag too.
I also hear that. Yeah, I hear the hag.
The clink, 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 clink. I hate her.
Oh. There she is. There's the bitch.
Hey, bitch.
Is there something in here for us to get?
Cash money.
I did not see anything in there.
Me neither.
Oh, she got me. She fully got me.
Yeah, I watched that.
I was trying to blind her a second time, but I think it was too soon
I'm
for me to
right
blind her.
near you.
Oh. Me crawling. What step sound? Ugh, I hate it.
Honestly, even though the hag is stupid, I love her terror noises. Why did it stop? Fuck you.
It's okay, run, Busty.
That was dumb.
Thank you, Plant. I appreciate that. I know a lot of people don't care if I don't see their messages, but it hurts me whenever I rewatch my VODs and I see that I miss messages. And I try not to, but it's hard sometimes. But thank you for being understanding.
And a hag. And it's very small, easy.
That's a lie. Oh, this is my old path. Nice.
Hot.
Dead end. Dead end. Luna, how are you? Welcome in. How are you, love? How was your night? Oh my god, Cagley's little hearts are so cute. Spooks are good tonight. We're doing really good, honestly. How are you? Excuse me.
Oh, I'm near the green one.
Oh, hell yeah. I'm gonna go back this way. Nice. And I'm Sue's good? Hell yeah. We'd love to hear that. Wow. It's been a hot minute since I played Resident Evil, hasn't it? I'm not really sure who that is in the game. But it does ring a bell, but I can't remember exactly which character that is. Ooh, I'm at the exit area.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Nice. Think I'm gonna switch back to my lollipops next round. Gotcha! We love a sexy villain. I hear a safe room, but there's a lot of lights near, or glow sticks near here, so I'm sure they've probably already found it. Pig is on me. I don't know if he's still chasing me. I don't want to look behind me. Okay, Pig is no longer on me. That was so scary though.
They should put the scarecrow in the sewers.
Ew.
That'd be so funny.
Yeah, that sounds really cursed. Good job! I have not contributed at all this round. I'm gonna go this way. Today? Luna, thank you for the host. I appreciate it, love. Beep, bop, beep. Today surely is the last day of August, isn't it? Which is wild. You're correct.
You just have to insert the valve and leave.
Oh,
Sounds good, Luna. Enjoy the lurk. And sleep well. Luna says that they love y'all.
I love you too,
I
Luna.
love you.
Hmm.
The way out.
Killa, how are you? Welcome in.
Pig's near me.
To leave. How does one leave?
I'm gonna be honest, I truly don't know how to get there from here.
Oh, Pig be walking by. Hey, Pig, what's good?
These are Dinah's little stars. I'm glad you're good, Killa.
Is it?
On a baby raccoon today? Stop! Killa, how were you able to do that? That makes me so happy. Did a bit of cleaning and packing my plushies. Hell yeah. The essentials, for sure. Good job. Thank y'all for carrying that round. I don't think I contributed anything. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. Oh, Dinah's computer crashed. We wait for her to do another one. Ding ding ding. Presently, no, I don't. How are you though? Welcome in. In general, oh my god. Rescued it from the road? Oh, I'm so happy they were able to rescue it. Little baby. Thank you for sharing a picture. I'm excited to see it after stream. Thank you for the host presently. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. It's okay though. Dinah's game sometimes makes their computer chug a little bit. And sometimes that do be happening, but I don't mind waiting. Dun, dun. Yeah, but to be clear, the answer is no. I definitely don't ever want negative energy. I know I said I was gonna put my desk up to help my posture, but I'm taking it back. I'm taking it back. Oh, she's gone. Surely before she comes back, I re-roll the back rooms. I only have 7 left. Okay, what if I... Okay, Dinah wants me to hold on to the cord maze. I'm gonna get rid of this very small, this small easy. We have that medium normal. I like that. Fair. Thank you. My day has been pretty good. I hope yours was good. Good day. Not the small extreme. Absolutely not. I want a backrooms map so bad. Do I keep the medium normal? Yeah, apology accepted, but I will say probably next time don't do that. Don't say that specifically. Definitely caught me off guard a little bit. Maybe I take away... I think I only have 3 left. I do only have 3 left. And I hate that they cost 4 tickets. It's so difficult to find on maps, I feel. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, Dinah's opening up the game again. Hell yeah. Froggy, hi. Tall plastic skeleton named Sir Charles. Stop. What a dapper lad. I love that. I love that. Wait. 5 foot tall. It's as tall as me. Well, technically I'm 5'1", but that's sick. Gotcha. Well, apology accepted. That's about his name. Yeah, I love that. Hawaiian shirt for him. Stop. That's iconic. I love that. Hello, Stinky. Hi, Joey. How are you? Come by and say hi to Slug. This is my Slug. You can have some Slug time. Thank you for saying hello to my Slug. How are you, DB? I'm glad you're doing alright, Joey. Hell yeah. Oh, hello, welcome back.
Oh, hello, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm ready. The game's open.
Me inviting you right now.
Me declining the invite.
Excuse me. I hope you sleep well, personally. Slug, yes, slug. My OBS camera is so laggy, but my stream seems to be doing fine. A bit quiet. Yeah, I think she was far away from her mic, but... Dinah, can you talk again for me, please?
Hot damn, level 40. A whole S. Level 40. It's me talking.
Thank you. I'm gonna
You're
turn her up a
welcome.
little bit. I'm excited, Killa. So, I have 3 reroll tokens left. But I was thinking we could do perhaps one of the bamboo forest if y'all
Oh,
are...
probably both, right?
Yeah.
Probably both. Do y'all want to do the medium one first or the very small?
Very small, right?
Right, yeah, I was kind of leaning towards that. Let's do that. Okay. Oh yeah, we do not need... Fuck, I forgot to switch back to my lollipops. Okay, I meant to switch back to lollipops, but I will before next round. Dun, 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 dun. I'm glad you're okay. I'm pretty good today. Had a relatively decent day. Thank you for asking.
I see a clubfoot in the distance.
Hello, Snake. How you been, Snakey Snake? Good to see ya. Some 60 odd people. Let's go, Galvin. We love some good. I was gonna say spring cleaning, but it's definitely not spring. But you know the gist. You know the gist. I bet that feels good.
Found the exit.
Hell yeah. Valid. I feel like I should probably do some of that myself. A dead end. How unfortunate. Beep, bump, beep, bump, beep. Nice. Library Night is going honestly really well tonight. We haven't had any like failures yet. Knock on wood. It's been really fun. I have located a puzzle. It's the flames. There we go. Okay. 1, 2. Nope. 1, 2. Nope. 1. Oh, Clubfoot has found me by the puzzle.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Clubby wubby.
Surely I can get out of his or his aggro range, right? I think I got out of his aggro range. Wow.
That's wild.
That honestly is wild. Holy. Incorrect. Damn.
Alright, I found the other 4 sticks.
Hey, nice.
I need you to kill Clubfoot.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll get right on it.
I hate him.
Yeah, this guy
He's
stinks.
so fast for no reason.
Right. 3,
Oh, brother.
4.
This
No.
guy stinks.
This guy stinks. 2, 3. Surely this is 4. It is. I'm glad you're doing all right, Snake. 4. And this one is 5. Oh my god, it is. 3, 4, 5. Okay, we just have these. Surely this one is 6. 6. No way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Surely this one is 7. Or is it this one? Oh god. 7. I've got the last one.
Get us out of here.
In Colorado, but it's already starting to peel. Nice. Not nice that you got sunburnt, but I'm glad it's
Nice.
starting to heal nicely.
Winters.
Nice. Easy.
I did have a really nice walk today. Thank you. Yeah, it was cool. Good job. Ding dong. I have reached level 40. Wowzers.
29, baby. 29.
Let's go.
Hey, yo.
I'm gonna do a cheeky little.
Yes. Thank you for the games.
I love you, Cagley. Thank you for joining. I love gaming with you. Bye. I love Cagley so much. Y'all need to follow them. It's Caggles. She streams, and as y'all know, she mods for me, and they're very funny, very like such a warm-hearted human being, and they deserve all the good things. So please go show support for them. Please, please, please. I'm gonna edit this real quick. Dong ding dong. Beautiful. You're still down to play, yeah?
Games. What a terrible misfortune if we got backrooms right now.
I know, right? I'm willing to spend my last 3 reroll tokens. But I could also be down to do this cheeky little medium normal bamboo forest.
Let's do a cheeky normal medium bamboo forest
Yeah.
and win. Cause we're winners. Hmm?
Okay. Links aren't working on mobile? What do you mean? Like, are you trying to send a link here? Because if so, it's not mobile. I don't allow links to be sent in my chat. Dinah Snake says hello.
Snake Chanders!
Snake Janders!
Chanders, I love you. Hello.
We love Snake Janders in this house.
I'm trying to land one on top of here.
Surely you can land one on top of there. And I absolutely meant to switch back to
This is very
lollipops,
important
but I
to our
absolutely did
gameplay.
not. Yeah.
This will dissuade the Oni from attacking us.
How angry would you be if I got it first try? Oh. Oh, I got it through.
Oh, that was close. Oh, that was way too much.
Too much for us. Too much.
I got it!
Good job.
Yes, that means we can play the game now.
Now we have unlocked the puzzle to enter the maze. Wow.
Actually, all 5 incense sticks were up there.
Ah, easy. Easy gameplay. You know what? Instead of taking every left, I think this time I'm going to take every right that I can. Hello, chicken. How are you?
Well, I took all the lefts and I immediately found the exit.
Oh, nice.
So, thank goodness I did it on accident. I'm afraid of the Oni.
Yeah, the Oni is scary.
Ugh, he's right there.
Mm,
The big bitch.
big ol' boy.
And I also found this. I think it's just a gazebo, but if it's by some chance also an objective.
Oh,
Nope, just a gazebo.
interesting. I did not know that, DB.
With
Thanks for letting me
cheeky
know,
little
but
sword inside.
sounds like there's nothing I can do about it, unfortunately. But good to know. I was pressing the wrong button.
Oni, please no, I beg.
The bone is glowing, but it's not like pick upable.
Okay, now I did find a puzzle.
Ooh, which puzzle?
The one you hate.
Oh, alright, that's all you, bestie.
There's game.
Oh, a dead end. Twitch thing, yeah.
Oni, I am trying to do shit right now.
Please, Oni.
I'm literally just gonna run you in a circle. I play Dead by Daylight.
I know how to loop. Uh-oh.
Yeah, he's still way faster than I am.
Ah, rip.
It doesn't help that he's 12 feet tall. And I'm made out of
I'm
sandpaper.
super strong. I am just a fleshy meat sack. I'm mushy. Oh, I found a safe house. Ushy gushy. There's only one in here. That's disappointing, but I'll take it. I will mark it with some pink.
Oh,
3
I forgot
lives.
that I was dying.
That's okay. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
6 feet tall, but also
Super strong.
Super strong. Alright, Ungi. Be the last time you tell me what to do, Oni.
Oh, I found the puzzle area.
Oh, rad.
And the Oni is literally right here with me.
Great, I was on my way back to the puzzle area.
He's angry at me.
Also have not found a single...
Come on, baby.
Don't love that noise.
It's only a movie. I got to a music thing and de-aggroed him.
Ooh, nice. I was literally just about to say how... Haven't seen a single music thing.
They do be out and about. I actually think I've only seen one, though, so far. He's back on me. Oh, he's gonna get me. Oh, he's absolutely gonna get me. Oh, I'm in a dead end. Crush my skull.
Oops.
Big oof. Agreed. It's okay, I have my comfort slug. I love slug. Okay. I don't need that. Which way should I go this time? That's mine. I'm gonna go this way. This time. Or actually, just kidding. I'm gonna go my same way and then take the paths that I did not take the first time. Excuse me. Like this. Oh, nope, that's a dead end. This just looks like it connects. Head one. Once I seen yours. Oh my god, stop, Sansa. Mika also ordered 1, 2. I am so happy that some of my peeps are buying comfort slugs as well. That makes me so happy. I love the slug.
The Oni's on me at puzzle.
Okay.
Started screaming and then stopped screaming, but then chased me anyway.
Oh. What a roller
I'm
coaster.
hiding at a dead end, praying he does not come to me. Oh, and
Okay.
what does he do? Comes right to me.
Of course. I'm gonna go this way. I'm at the puzzle, but you know what? I'm actually not gonna fuck with it.
I'm so close to where you are. I'm at a dead end of green stars.
Oh, rip.
But to be fair, the Oni was also that way.
Gotcha. Hi, Cat! How are you? R.I.P. Exposure therapy? Oh my god! That is so cute! Oh, thank you! Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Or at least enjoyed it more than you normally would any other slug. I hope you're well, Cat. Oh my god. The Oni is like literally right there. It's nice and cozy. Oh, I love that.
Okay, so maybe also I am having trouble with the floor puzzle.
Okay. That's okay. I wish it was raining here. This is the one that I already found, yeah? Yeah, I already found this one. Okay, so the one over there must be new, because I saw another building over here. I feel like the Oni's literally like right around the corner. Look, there's a building right there. How do I get to that building? Please don't see me. You don't see me. You cannot perceive me. How do I get in there? What? Is this literally? Oh, I'm tripping now. I'm tripping now. I think this is the same one. It can't be. I'm tripping. We're gonna go this way. I have such bad sense of direction. For anyone who doesn't know, my sense of direction is absolute garbage. Garbage poo poo doo doo. Oh, that's not the Oni. I literally saw that shadow and I was like, oh my god, the Oni. If you want me to tap in, I could perhaps try. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep exploring this way.
Heck yeah. That's valid. We're both just having a bad puzzle time.
Not funny haha. Funny, I can't figure out the goddamn puzzle. Also, if both of our brains decide to poop on this game, I could be down. I know I was just shitting on Phasmophobia, but I could be down to switch to something like Phas.
That's so valid. My brain is also feeling a little bit poopy whoopy.
The diaper of my brain is full of poo poo. But
Oni!
we'll see.
Where? Ugh. Hey, guess what, you little weenie? You can't get me in here.
Snuggle times? Oh my god, me. I would love that. Please. Literally. I will never say no to that.
From the Oni.
I will simply never say no to that. Have good hiding from Oni time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a pretty good hiding spot. I
No
think.
way, this is a dead end. Oh my god, it is. Ugh.
You can't even see me, idiot.
Imagine.
Yeah. Yeah, because I'm in hell.
Oh. Stop! God damn it.
It wouldn't let me give up though.
Oh!
I was trying. And it kept saying,
Not-
be damned, you will bleed out.
Mm-hmm. That's so funny. No way, this is another. Oh my god, so many dead ends.
How have we only found one?
I don't know. Oh my god, he's right there.
But we did find the exit, which is pretty badass.
True. Is that Stella meowing? It is. Why the fuck you
Alright,
meowing?
I'm gonna fuck the puzzle.
Okay, good
And
strat.
I'm gonna look for other stuff.
Okay. I can try to find my way back to the puzzle and give her a go. But if not, I would also be down to skirt on out of here and do like an easier one for brain good feelies. If I also cannot figure out the puzzle. Oh, that's
We
a good
gotta
end.
finish that puzzle.
Oh yeah, we gotta.
I just found 3 in one house.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm at the puzzle. Retro.
We have no backup lives.
Crossfesties? Yeah, you should.
So if the Oni shows up,
You absolutely should, Moonkip. I love that shit. Oni is definitely near me and I'm at the puzzle. Stella, please. Not right now. Oh! He's found
wait,
me.
it's a really good. It was a really good layout you had just there.
I know! I'm gonna be AFK for just a sec. It was hot in here. I had to turn on my AC. Wait!
What?
Oh, I'm spectating because we didn't have any more lives left. That's what happened. Okay. Slug time. While we watch Dinah play.
Aw, damn it, Stomach. Why are you coming this way? What do you have to gain from coming this way? How? And he's coming toward me again.
Okay, slug time.
Go anywhere else.
Of course we get like the hardest puzzle.
Okay.
Okay,
one
slug,
shot.
you are welcome. You are so welcome, bestie. Lettuce! Fucking bitches, I got money. Thank you, Lettuce. Same to you, bestie. How the heck are you? Thank you, Lattice. Hardleen, I actually bought this online. I did not 3D print this or have someone 3D print it, but if you want one of your own, I looked up ASMR fidget toy slug to find this on the internet. I love it. And I'm dead right now in game, so we're watching Dinah play.
This is it.
If this is it, it is okay, bestie.
Oh.
I got you,
yeah,
Harleen.
bro. Oh, but this is where I
Oh,
died last time.
no. It's okay. Face your death, it's fine. Unless...
What are you gonna do, Oni? Come in my shorts? Too late. You already did.
Too late.
What are you gonna do? Shit my pants for me?
Are you gonna soil my undies?
Hey, Oni. I'm down here.
True, exactly, Harleen. Exactly, you get it.
He's still just chilling at the puzzle. Oh.
Oh.
My bad, Oni. I didn't mean to talk shit.
Sorry. Oh,
Oni.
Oni, please.
Oni, if you don't leave right now. You just got to the edge of the area and turned around and came back into the area. This is officially a
knows?
social experiment.
Yeah.
I'm gonna email my complaints to the Labyrinthine team.
Yeah, to Labyrinthine
Oni wouldn't
HR.
Go away.
Yeah.
Yeah, shoo, buddy. She Sharino.
Shisharoni and cheese.
I got stuff to do, bud.
We got puzzles to solve. This puzzle is so hard.
He's coming back. Can I just reach in here and steal it?
Surely there's an option to bust open those little
He's not giving up this time. Oni, this is getting boring.
If he so happens to kill you, that's okay.
I agree.
Nice. Whoa! That's scaring me.
I was sick of this shit.
Yeah, it's okay. Maybe we perhaps do a small easy to feel good about ourselves. Only if you have the capacity for another. If not, it's okay.
Yeah, let's do one.
Okay.
I'm currently typing up a strongly worded email.
Good. Okay, so I actually don't have a small easy, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reroll.
Yeah, good. Small, very hard.
Oh, yeah. Or is that okay with you, or do you want to do
Let's
something?
do it.
Okay,
Let's
yeah.
freaking do it. Let me light up this pumpkin pancake candle.
Yeah, and let me also switch back to my lollipops. Lollipops.
Lollipop, lollipop,
Lollipop. Very large, very hard. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
My candle get lit.
Get absolutely fucking lit.
I'm excited about this candle and the other two that I got. I got like bourbon, pumpkin, and something else.
Ooh, yum.
Yeah.
Me. Oh, just kidding. That's a dead end.
I'll go this way.
Okay, I'll go this way.
Rad. Oh, just kidding. This is a dead end.
Oh, okay. Just kidding.
It's just all dead ends right at the beginning.
I'd be pissed.
There's nowhere to go.
This is the extent of the labyrinth. A music thing? Good.
Okay, I found a music banner, so there will be an Oni.
Mm-hmm. I saw one as well. I have
And I
found the exit.
Found. Oh, yeah. I found a safety house.
Very nice.
It's so funny because this safety house has a banner right outside of it.
Nice. Extra safe. Nice.
2.
We love that.
I'm just gonna play this just for the twinkles.
I honestly don't blame you. The twinkles are very nice.
I'm just gonna see how long it takes to make a new one.
Anything over here? Nope.
Boom. Easy peasy.
Easy peas. The peas are eased. This is just a big loop.
You can feel it. This is gonna be the longest dead end in the world. Just kidding. Safe house.
The Oni is near me by the exit.
Uh-oh.
It is okay. I'm running around him.
I heard that the Oni likes to piss his pants.
Yeah. I'm gonna go this way. Dinosaurs. I'm gonna go this way. That's a dead end.
Oh, go back to that exit, bestie.
Oh, really?
No,
Oh,
there was only one in here.
God. That's okay. Just need one more. Easy.
Yeah, easy. It's probably gonna be a puzzle because I've already found 3 different safe houses, and this is very small.
True. I will
Oh,
look
okay.
this
The
way.
Oni is currently chasing me,
Oh,
which I did not realize was gonna. Yeah, it's a puzzle.
okay. Oh, I have
it's-
also I found the puzzle.
Hey.
Oh, hi.
It's step on them in order.
I'm gonna lay down some pink so we can find our way back to the puzzle. The exit is
Oh,
close.
the Dingly Twinkle Winkle is nearby.
Where's the dingly twinkly? Oh, here's one.
Oh.
Here's one this way. If we can make it.
Ugh.
Come on, baby. And the exit is over here. Oh, fuck. Wrong way. Unless, okay, yeah, it's this way.
That puzzle.
The puzz.
I'm going back to get that Puzzy Wuzzy.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Oh. Okay.
I happened to find the Oni friend again. Yeah, come here, bud. Come here, because I am going to dunk on you twice.
Get fucked.
You're a loser.
I'm also gonna try to make my way to the puzzle.
And boom, now I'm in a safe house.
Haha.
Yeah, walk away, bud.
Walk away. I have found my way back to the puzzle.
I'll do it very large, very hard if Olympus joins us.
Imagine. Oh, I don't know if. Oh, fuck.
Oh shit, you're already at the puzzle.
I'm doing it, bestie. I've got it.
I'm going back to the exit.
That's so funny. It looks like there's another one in there, but obviously I can't pick it up, and we already have all 5. The Oni is on me. But it already de-aggroed because I got far enough away quick enough. Christine, no true. Be way too easy. If you would like to join, you are more than welcome to, my friend. Oh, I'm fully at a dead end.
Well, don't worry.
Okay,
Oh, are you
me
being chased?
not worrying.
Were you being chased?
He was very close to me. If I were to have exited the dead end, he would have been right there. I'm gonna run to the restroom real quick. I'll be RB.
I'm also gonna run to the restroom.
Beautiful. Me deafening and turning on some music for y'all. I like. Oh, this is a good song. Alright, I'll be right back. I give you chair time and bubbles and a quick ad. Very quick ad. Not into you. Unless it won't let me play an ad. Oh, there we go. Alright, very quick ad. Thank you, Lettuce. Good night, Sansa. I appreciate you being here. Sleep well. New Prada loafers. I like this song a lot. Hey, Kekly, thank you for the hydrate and take a deep breath. And Galvin, thank you for thinking about moderators. Everyone drink your water. Drink your water. Let's take a deep breath, shall we? Let's breathe out through the mouth. In through the nose. And out through the mouth. Thank you for that. I'm gonna switch over here because I believe I'm just gonna go ahead and switch to, I think, some solo Faz. Because my brain was pooping a little bit and Dinah's brain be pooping a little bit. So you know what? I say no more pooping. I say no more pooping. And let's hunt some ghostas, solo style. Y'all down? Also, y'all should follow Kagly, who we were playing tonight. They stream sometimes and she's super awesome. And also the Dynamite Jones. Fuck! Ignore that. Ignore it. Ignore it! Did I fuck up? Did I spell it wrong? Oh my god, I forgot the underscore. Fuck, me trying to be sneaky and fucking it up. Also, Dynamite Child. God damn it. This is a no poop zone. Mod, can you please switch me to the Phasmophobia category if you have a second, please? Oh, I'm gonna turn down the music too. That just scared me a little bit. Phasmophobia. Thank you, Lettuce. My tummy butter? Me. I volunteered to kiss your tummy butter. It is I. I will come and kiss your tummy butter. True, Lettuce. True. Next time. Yeah, next time for sure. Next time for sure, bestie. Alright, let me get us into Phasmophobia. I know y'all can't see it yet. Just hold your bussies. Alright, it's coming. Here she is. We haven't done solo style Phasmophobia in a minute, y'all. It's probably been over like a month and a half since we've done solo style Phasmophussy. I'm gonna turn it down even more. I'm excited. I can't remember the state of my asshole. I mean my whoa. The state of my pockets single player. What? I was looking for that for so long. Let's see what I have. Oh, I have some good stuff. Holds a good. Yes, good. Yes. At least a decade. Yeah, it's been at least 1 decade. At least. I agree. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Surely we start at the OG spot. That song was a lot. My brain couldn't handle it. Alright, surely we start at Tanglewood, right? I'm probably just gonna do like 2 or 3 maps. I say that, but also sometimes I get really deep into it. I'm also gonna change my title. What if we held hands in the ghosts what if we held hands in Tanglewood together? Right? Who wants to hold hands in Tanglewood? I am still in the Discord. Thank you. I was tired. Well, we fist the ghost. I mean, yeah. We actually hold hands like this, and we fist the ghost with our hand, I need to stop. Okay, anyways. I don't know what it is about Phasmophobia. I think it just brings out the fucking gremlin in me. Let's add everything and hope that that's enough. I volunteer for that. Hell yeah. Let's do it. Turning up my volume. Okay, good. Volume is capturing perfectly. Oh my god. I'm gonna keep the music on. I'm just gonna have it on quite low. Like very low. Kill you. Alright. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Remember when I used to do fast challenges? I kind of miss that for whenever I would hit like my daily, one of my daily goals. I miss that. I wish, like, I need another update for Faz and then maybe I'll get re-obsessed with it. The wheel, I miss the challenge wheel. That was a good time. Let's get in there, besties. Honestly, I might make it a little spicy tonight and say, like, if I have a cursed item that I'm comfortable with, I'll use it, perhaps. Maybe. Maybe. Unless I get scared. Na, 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 na. Knock, knock. Nobody's pooping in here, right? I agree, Lettuce. I'm really excited for them to redo Asylum. That's, I think, like, the motivation I need is a new map that, like, I actually enjoy. Because the last time we got a new map, it was Campsite. And Campsite really just fucks me every time in a bad way. Oh, it's the mirror! It's the mirror! We're using the mirror. Hello, beautiful. It's in the garage. It looked like the ghosto was literally, like, climbed on top of the fucking, car. We love that. We love to see it. We love an acrobatic bitch. Not the immediate EMF 5. A bone picture? What? Interaction? Okay, where's the bone? Where's the bone? Because it's obviously in here somewhere. What the fuck? Oh, oh, oh! Where's the bone? It has to be in here, right? Excuse me, Ghosta. Oh! Oh my god, it's touching a lot of stuff. Is the bone not in here? Interesting. Okay, well, I'm gonna go get some other stuff. Bye. That was weird. The bone was definitely not in the garage unless I absolutely looked over it. But we got EMF 5. And no fingerprints, cause yeah, I got that door. No fingers. I'm gonna kill you. No fingerprints. Let's bring in Sanity's at 60. Honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse the area. Any boners? Oh, the bone is on the freaking... Oh my god, that's so funny. It's on the car. Exclamation point boner, if you would like. That's so funny. It's right there. How'd that picture turn out? What? How? Oh my god, the way it literally... Ew, I hated that. Oh! Not it being freezing times 2. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go. It's giving too much right now. In the car? I just met her. Oh my god, Shusha, how are you? Can I get a shout out for Shusha, please? You already know. Freezing temps. Shade Oni twins. How are you, Shurish? Dots, Spirit Box, Ghostwriting. Thank you, Lem Toys. Let's pop a cheeky little sand. Okay, it's kind of giving Oni. Oni would be Dots. Okay, let's go set up Dots. Can't wait to play this again. I don't know when the update is, but it needs to happen soon. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if they fucking like adjust until Halloween. I would not be surprised. But hopefully before then. Hopefully. But yeah, I really want to get like, I really want to get really into playing it again because I don't know. I miss it. And like I like fucking around and doing solo Faz every once in a while. But if I do Faz too much, sometimes I'll get like burnt out now because I need something new in it, you know? A little hype again? Yeah, I agree. I agree. If it's not dots, it could be Spirit Box or Ghost Rotten. I should probably put in a Jesus. That would be a smart move. I'm Norvis. Crouch. Are you here? Spirit Box. Is that twins with Spirit Box? It is twins. No way. Alright, let's get some toe picks. Thank you for lurking. I love you very much, Shusha. I hope you're doing well. Let's... Fresh photo. Bum, bum, bum. Alright, photo, we're gonna put you there. And I need some salt. Amphi, hello, how are you? Ooh, welcome in. Can you read my fears? Let's put in this. I kinda wanna take sanity just to be safe, but I'm feeling a little risque. Kinky Stores, do it, Dinah. I will personally... Ew, why was I about to say that? Okay, I'm not going to say that because it's a bad thing. But I will personally come over and fix your canker sores. That's a lot better than what I was thinking in my brain. Alright, toes please. Toes please. It's not good. I was gonna say I was gonna scoop your canker sores out of your mouth, but that just the imagery is not good. With like a grapefruit spoon. Ew, I hate it. I hate the imagery. I'm sorry. Okay, you don't scare me. You don't scare me, Ghosto. Where are you? What the fuck? Where are you? Oh, it was right there. So after that, literally, probably a bit too big. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave. Speedrun. I should have checked how much money I had before this round so I could like have a goal for how much money to earn. Oh wait, I wanted to look at... I haven't played this in so long, I forget the controls. Alright, solid. And we have twins? Yes. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I'll take $180. How much money do I have? Oh, I have decent money. I thought for some reason I would be brokey broke. I thought. Trick done. Boom. Oh, I hate that, Amphi. Yeah, they are not fun. I definitely get them whenever I am extremely stressed. Very much so. Did I want to buy anything else? I feel like I was kind of flimsy. You know what? Let's buy a... I never use the parabolic microphones, but I kind of want to learn how. Just because I feel like... not to flex or whatever, but I do feel like I kind of know a lot about the game, but I haven't ever really put time into learning about the Paraboo, so... Oh, I love the song. The Parabooby, if you will. Oh, I hate that. Strife! Thank you! I hope you're well, Strife. Thank you for lurking. I love doing this now. So good. Where should we go next? We went to Tanglewood. Perhaps Willow? Bubble bath, feeling so much better. Oh, I'm so glad you're feeling better, and I'm glad you were able to have a bubble bath. I love that. About the booby mic? Oh my god, Cagley, please. I would love that. Let's go to Willow. Profesh. How long have you been on my tattoo? Ever since literally the day that I turned 18, I got my first tattoo. I did wait until I was of age to get my first tattoo, and I am now 24 years of age. So 6 years. And I think I have 14 or 15 tattoos. I forget. I forgetted. Actually, speaking of tattoos, my main tattoo artist, you remember whenever I was like waiting for my main tattoo artist to respond to me because I filled out his form to get in with him again? He finally got back to me, and this man is so busy that he's booking me in January. He is so busy, and I'm like, yeah, of course I'll take the spot, but damn, I cannot believe that you're booking out that far, man. But I'll wait. I'll be patient. He's worth the wait. He's so worth the wait. He's done all of my visible tattoos right now. He's done this one, these two, this one. He's done my entire, well, not my entire upper body, but all of my visible ones. Are they as painful as people say? It depends on your pain tolerance and where you get it, and also how comfortable you are with your tattoo artist. Oh, you're away. What? No, literally, I was like, yeah, fuck yeah, I'll take the spot. But I wish I could get in with you earlier. That's literally so long away, but he's worth it. Last time I got tattooed by him, I got 5 tattoos in one sitting, and I might fuck around and do the same thing and just be like, do you mind if I book you for the full day, just in case I want to get like another set of 5 tattoos at one time? Isn't endurance for years against cis heteronormativity a good enough pain tolerance? Honestly, yes. If you have the brain strength to get through that, absolutely. How even? I don't mean to toot my own horn, Strife, but I have a pretty high pain tolerance when it comes to tattoos. And another big thing that I feel like goes into like how much pain, I don't know why I did this, how much pain you're in whenever you're getting a tattoo is how comfortable you are with the tattoo artist, and also how comfortable you are in their shop. And I'm extremely comfortable with that tattoo artist and extremely comfortable in his shop. So I was vibing getting my 5 tattoos. Like, don't get me wrong though, at the end of it I was very tired, but I was vibing while I was getting tattooed by him. But also, I think the piece that I want to get by him next is a sternum piece, and I think that might actually rock my shit. So I don't know if I could get 5 in a day if I'm getting one of them as a sternum piece. Maybe 2 or 3 in a day, depending on the size of the other 2. But yeah, I don't know. The game is a little quiet, yeah? There we go. That's better. But yeah, I've been getting tattooed by him for a few years now, so I'm very comfortable with him. He's great. Okay. It's Taco Bell time? Oh my god, enjoy your Taco Bell, bestie. I love that. Grub up. Oh my god, can someone give me a boner command, please? We have located the boner in the kitchen. Tickled, right? Confirmed, yeah. When I was getting my... Thank you for the boner. Thank you so much. Pain. I did. No, Rainbow, I feel that. I feel like a lot of my tattoos either tickled or like tingled. Like they they trigger like tingling feelings in my brain that aren't necessarily pain, but it's just like a little tingly feeling. But yeah. Make sure to hide my special toys before she arrives. I feel that. I think about that stuff too. Just put them away in a very special box for the special toys. Getting the tattoo tingled? Yes. It was like a tingly feeling in my brain. But whenever I got my most recent tattoo, the mushrooms on the back of my heel, I think that was the first tattoo that I could have truly fallen asleep for, because I was laying down on my stomach so my artist could get at my heel, and I was fully ready to fall asleep. But I never want to fall asleep while getting a tattoo, because I move a lot in my sleep, and that would not be good while getting a tattoo. That would not be good. My floating ribs. Oh, ouchies. Yeah, and that too. Sometimes it doesn't hurt, and then it just gets to one spot, and it's like, ooh, pain. But it's temporary pain. Did I just... No, that was my own footstep, I think. Spicy mushroom with scribbles everywhere. Yeah, exactly. Oh! Not the EMF. Oh, and freezing temperatures in here. Okay. That's an event. That cannot be a hunt. That's an event, right? That's an event. Okay, good. It's just an event. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay, that was freezing temps. Is it loading? Oh no. Nor. Oh nor. How dare they not work? Also, I should start using a Taco Bell app. Because there's one near me. And I simply have... I feel like using the app might... Benjamin Elliott. Oh, my brain is everywhere right now. Might help me use it more often. Because I assume you're able to like order ahead, yeah? I'm gonna bring that and this. To people less... Exactly. That's the goal. Less human interaction. For many reasons. For my social anxiety and also for the vid. I don't want to get sick again. Ideally ever, but specifically from the vid. I didn't see any Garstarbs. Are you here? How old are you? Are you friendly? Where are you? Did it just... Excuse me, open another door? It did. Are you in the hallway? How did it touch that door, but I did not get an interaction? Oh my god, that scared me. Okay, nice. Nice. Okay. Nice. Holy shit, so much is happening. Hold on. Interaction. Okay, I'm gonna drop this and I'm gonna get out of here because this is a lot. For the less talking, nice. I like a cheeky little reward system. Some more incentive. What the heck? I guess. Yeah, that dropped my freaking sanity. My freaking sanity, man. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna bring some Jesus. I feel like that's the move. Jesus is the answer. I'm not religious. I'm gonna put this one here and this one in this room. Well, let's see. Are you here? Are you friendly? Are you close? It's still freezing in here. Are you here? Are you friendly? Are you close? How old are you? Okay, I'm still pretty confident that this is the ghost room. I think it's just like roaming a little bit. Roman. For the seasoning, exactly. If Jesus was a seasoning, what seasoning would he be? Maybe some garlic salt with parsley? Like basic but good? I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna bring in dots and a book. I think I might make a baked potato after stream tonight. Will be enough. Stop. You're so fucking funny. I'm putting this here. I should maybe put another video camera in the hallway, perhaps. 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 Oh, also, let me... Dun, dun, dun. Sorry, one moment. Frankincense and mirth. You know what? You're correct. That's definitely the correct answer. Yeah. Mm-hmm. White Jesus from JC Superstar. Because that motherfucker would be bland as shit. You know what? I'm going with option number 2, probably. They're both spices. I believe you. I wonder what they taste like. Itchy ear. Let's maybe just look at... That placement for the dots is bad. I'm gonna put maybe another dots in there. Bad placement. Salt and pepper, the most Caucasian of the seasonings. That's so true, Ganeth. Stop. Thank you, murder. Yes. Judas, no. Amphi, stop it. That's a good answer. That's a good fucking answer. Commander, I believe, is not here tonight. Not at this immediate moment, at least. Oh! I think I just saw dots. Hold, please. Itchy. If unseasoned chicken was a spice, ew. Gross. Imagine it's not even here anymore. Actually, let's go get a thermometer because it was freezing in there. And if it is no longer freezing in there, yes. Also, I don't think I've... No, I found the boner, but I have not found the cursed object. Sounds good, Galvin. Be safe. Let's get a thermom and also this. I bet it's not freezing in there anymore because I have not seen my breath in a minute. I betcha. Oh, okay, it is still freezing in here. Oh, it's really cold in here. Okay. I was not prepared for that. Maybe we just sit in here and look at dots for a minute. That was my breath again. Yes, I literally... Okay, I just saw dots. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna skirt. I'm gonna respectfully skirt a little bit. So we have dots and freezing. You're literally just a Yuri or an Oni. Ghost orbs or EMF 5. Let me just make sure. Yeah. Ghost orbs or EMF 5. Huh. And we've only gotten EMF 2 so far. Stream's going well. Atlan, how are you? Hello, party. How are you? Welcome in. I think there's a tag on my shorts that keeps making me itchy. Thank you, Indigo. I appreciate you. How are you tonight? How are you tonight? Thank you, Lettuce. Oh, well, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope your night ends up getting better. Make sure to take care of yourself. I'm glad you're good, party. I'm doing pretty well. Okay, there was dots again. Beep, oh, beep. Perhaps I'll bring in a candle. Because right now we're just looking for ghost orbs or EMF 5. I'm glad you're good. I'm doing well tonight. Thanks for asking. Faz is good. Faz is honestly like one of my comfort games. And we were playing some Labyrinthine earlier and my brain was pooping a little bit, so I decided to switch over. But it's good. Okay, I'm gonna take down the dots so maybe we can see ghost orbs perhaps? Alright. If you're in Eastern time, make a wish. It's 11:11. Are you playing solo? I am, yeah. I'm like, I always forget what level I am. I'm over level 1000, so I do be used to this shit. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that outline. I'm just not going to read that out loud in case that could be triggering to anyone. Just slight TW on Alan's message. Just BT dubs. I'm sorry to hear that. I hate that. But I'm glad you're doing pretty good outside of that. That is a bummer, though. There's a solo mode? Yes, there is indeed a solo mode. Yes, please. I am willing to bet it doesn't look like it's going to be ghost orbs. I feel like it's gonna be EMF 5. But first, but we're gonna go look for toes. Is what we're gonna do next. We're gonna look for tires. Yeah. And then I think, oh, I have one of the crucifixes in there, but I definitely need to move the second one in there too, so we can try to get the, I almost said challenge because I'm so used to playing Labyrinthine tonight. Objectives. Alright, let's bring some salt. And honestly, another photo too. Thank you for the follow, I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Would you rather use your non-dominant hand for texting or for taking selfies? Oh, definitely for texting. Definitely for texting. Yeah, no, selfies would be weird. For me personally. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, let's put the other, unless the other crucifix is already in here? Where's the other crucifix? I don't know where it is. Selfie? Gotcha. Where are ya? Where are ya? Oh, there he is. Hiya! 3-star ghost picture. Let's go. Now please step in the salt. It's Pitbull time, bitches. It is Pitbull hours. You can handle texting. Got you. I think for me, I'm so used to taking selfies from like this angle, you know? Like from my right side, that I don't know if I could do it with my left hand. Steppy step. Nice. Good toes. I would say. Oh, that's EMF 5. Oh, that's no. It's an Oni. I'm just gonna spam some pictures because it probably is spawning the footprint underneath the. Oh my god, it ate the crucifix too outside of the room. We got all of the objectives. And we got some pictures. Not the best pictures, but let's get the fuck out of here. Let's get out of here. Now I want to listen to Pitbull. Banger. Alright, let's get out of here. You're ambidextrous? Oh my god. I don't know if I said that right. $240, let's go. Let's do like one more round. Let's do like one more round. A spreadsheet? What are you making a spreadsheet for? Where should we go? Oh, let's do Edgefield. Duh. I agree. I love Pitbull. I goddamn love Pitbull. Holy shit. Got you, lettuce. Ted Corrigan. All right, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Banger though. I fucking love Pitbull. I'm gonna keep him on. Like, I'm gonna keep him on quite quiet. Ted Corrigan. Okay, is it raining? Oh, it's raining in game. Oh. Oh my god. Never mind. I can't say that here. Alright, Edgefield. Who wants to do some edging? Raise your hand. Who wants to do some edging? Edging at Edgefield, anyone? I already knew you were down. I already knew you were down, bestie. The way also my brain is so used to playing Labyrinthine right now, I just went to drop glow sticks. Both hands up. Good. Yes. I just imagine you preparing yourself to edge with both of your hands up. Excuse me. Oh, we never found the cursed object in the last one. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna come back for you. You edging? Hell yeah. I'm glad. Want me. We're gonna throw that, or actually, ooh, how should we do this? Let's put this there. Let's go get the thing. Ouija. Ouija board. Unte. Alright. What is your favorite room? D. I. Goodbye. It's a dining room ghost. Praying for the edge. Exactly. Exactly. I'm gonna turn off Pitbull for now. I love him. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and take some sand. But it's a dining room ghost. So I'm gonna bring in a video camera. It's a dining room ghost. So here. Did I just hear it? Did you touch this door? Is this the door that you touched? I hope so. Not the fingerprint on this door. Okay. I'm gonna leave you here. And the EMF did not get to EMF 5, but I'm still gonna bring it over here. Yeah. We have fingus prints. I'm gonna bring in this and spear box. Fix my goddamn posture. Me. Oh, I don't know why my back hurts. Also me playing games and streaming. Are you here? Okay. Spirit box. Spirit box. Poltergeist, Mimic, or Phantom? Could it be Mimic as well? It could also be Mimic if we get freezing temps. Oh wait, no, duh. Mimic is right there. Mimic is right there. Right now, yeah, literally, I don't know how to break that freaking habit. Like, I literally have a sit-stand desk, and I can, like, move it, and, like, even if I have the desk up, so it, like, forces me to, like, sit up straight, I'm still like this. Okay, dots, ghostwriting, or freezing temps. Let's do dots. Wrong room. Have some Jesus. Have some Jesus. I think we have everything in there. We have dots, we have ghostwriting. Oh, we have not checked for temps, but I have not seen I haven't seen my breath at all. Let's watch for dots for a sec. I have not seen a singular dot. I'm gonna bring in the other Jesus. More Jesus. You're gonna go here. Ooh, okay, it's definitely like chilly in here. Oh yeah, it's 1 degree in there. Let's turn on the power. I touched the cock. I would kind of like to... Did it just touch something in here? Did you touch this? You did. Huh. Okay, so it's doing stuff in the garage. And it just touched the things again in the garage. Dang. No. Let's try this. Sanity. I think I'm gonna take a sand just to be safe. Are you here? Are you... So this is the ghost room as well? Yeah. Oh, did I get it? Oh, I did not get it. Fuck. Is this all? Did it move to this room? I'm a little bit confused, I'm not gonna lie. It must have. Unless, let's try it again over here. Are you here? How old are you? Are you friendly? Are you close? Okay, yeah, this is definitely the ghost room now. That's so funny. It switched so fast. Okay, turn you off. It really switched up on us. Okay, I'm gonna leave this. I just flipped the switch. I am not seeing dots. I'm pretty convinced that it's gonna drop down below freezing because it's been getting quite cold in there, which will make it the mimic. But also that means we should be seeing ghost orbs, which I'm not. Could be ghost writing. Let's go maybe do some toes. Y'all trying to do some toes? I hear the EMF going off. It's ghostwriting! It's literally ghostwriting. Okay. Thanks. Let's do 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, so many toes. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go. Ghostwriting. It's a poltergeist. Honestly, that makes sense. Want to suck toes? Who would suck it, who wouldn't? Interesting. I feel like a lot more people in the world have foot kinks than people think. Like, it's all funny haha until people actually have the kink, you know? For all of us, I freaking bet, dude. 10 out of 10 would pop a toe in my mouth, you know? How could you not? I don't really want to do that. I don't really want to wait for it to do that. Actually, you know what? Maybe I will. Maybe I will. I don't know. Maybe I'll also go look for the boner, because we have not found the boner yet. Boner? No. Boner? No. Sounds like fun, right? Bonaire? Nope. Bonaire? Nope. I guess I don't need to be closing the doors behind me. Nope. Watch it be in the freaking basement. True. Suck toes and why it's just as gross, if not cleaner than. Exactly! That's a good point, too. That's a good point, too. You gotta wash your toes just like you wash your dick. And some people. Oh, there we go. Okay, we found. Oh, I don't have the camera on me. Dang it. It's up here, though. Dang it. Is there any photos in this one? No. I forget what I was saying, but yeah. Toes. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Bonaire. Can I have a boner command, please? Please and thank you for the boner. The dimly lit boner. You know what, Galvin? That's fair. Thank you for the boner. Turn back on our flashlight. I'll take the boner. Did we get... Oh, it still has not been eating the crucifix, which is disappointing. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave, and perhaps we do a puzzle before I end stream. Hell yeah, Galvin. What'd you get today from Taco Bell? You're making me want Taco Bell. I feel like Taco Bell is open super late, right? It closes. The one near me closes at 1 a.m. There's another one that's a little bit further that closes at 2 a.m. Oh, it's a good bit further though. Damn. $5 box of soft taco and potatoes. Oh, yum. Nika. Thank you for the mushy moment. I love you very much. Thank you for saying all of that. I appreciate you. Everyone read what Mika just sent, please and thank you. Please and thank you. Actually, 3 miles is not very far from me. The closest one is literally right around the corner, but there's one 3 miles from me. I might fuck around and go after stream. I don't know. I've been fucking around with leaving my apartment more often lately. It feels good. Like today I went to 2 different parks because I wanted to find a good skating spot. Of course. Oh my god. The DP, the double penetration. I mean, the Dr. Pepper. Was I gonna go back inside? I don't think so. I think I'm gonna leave. Do I have everything? Yeah, I do. Let's see. Let's listen to some lo-fi for the rest of stream. $225. Damn. Persona, hello, how are you? Can one of my mods please put me in the just chatting category? Please, 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 if you have a sec. I think we do a puzzle before I end stream. Cause I think I'm done with Faz. I think I'm done with Faz for this immediate moment. Quit. Quit. I'm glad you're well. I've been pretty good today. Thank you for asking. Jigsaw. Puzzle. The fun way? Hell yeah, let us go. Someone tell Killa, right? I think Killa was here earlier, and I think they are off for the night. I think they wanted to sleep. My puzzles. Oh, wait, no. Sign in. Sign in with my email. And let's, I've been doing a lot of animal puzzles lately, which I really love, but I think we do like a different category of puzzle now. I like the street art puzzles. Let's definitely not do any food, because that will make me more hungry than I currently am, and I'm currently a little bit peckish. Oh, this is a cool puzzle. Excuse me. Let's do this one. I'm gonna change my title. Excuse me. Oh my god, I'm so burpy. Pussy. I deleted the heart? Hello? There we go. Nice. Alright. Here is the puzzle that I'm setting up. 150 pieces. 150 pieces, because I don't really want to hurt my brain noggin right now. But here's the puzzle. I'm going to send the link to the puzzle in my Twitch chat. It's first come, first serve. And if you have not played puzzles with us before, please come up here to the settings wheel and change your name and color to something I will recognize. But yeah, here's the link. They're so cool. Oh, thank you, Persona. If you're curious, here is the shop and creator that I got them from. You should follow the creator for sure, at least. Molly is really fucking cool. I love her. Good night, Miko. Love you too. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Have the sweetest dreams, okay? I swear I just saw a corner piece. But I lost it with my own eyes. Yeah, of course, Persona. Of course. Oh, here's the corner piece. And another one. Oh, let me turn down the music a little bit. She's a little loud. Okie dokes. This one? Nope. Oh, another corner. I love when I find a corner piece. It feels so good. Not sure where that one goes. Another bottom. How does this go on the edge? Oh, because that doesn't go there. Oh, I thought that went there this whole time. Okay, that goes there. That explains that. Oops. This goes. Oh, nice. No? I feel like, oh, there we go. The way we absolutely don't have the last corner piece. Oh my god, it's right here. Oh, no way. It was staring at me right in the face. I love like all of the lines in this puzzle. It's so pretty. This situation is a little confusing. There we go. Oh. This absolutely goes right here somewhere. Nice. Thank you for joining, Persona. Hmm. This goes down here. I got a groove going with all these little pieces. Oh, hell yeah, good job. Hmm. This one goes. Oh, I thought that one went there. Oh, it goes there. And this one goes here. Who's gonna do it? There's one more. Good job. Good job, good job, good job. Oh, I did not even realize this is a tiny little fire hydrant in the background. Itty bitty teeny weeny little fire hydrant. Cute. Thank y'all for doing that puzzle with me. I love me some puzzles. I appreciate y'all very much for that. Okay, me closing this puzzle. Me closing this puzzle. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank y'all so much for stream tonight. Thank you for being here and hanging out. Thank you again, Cagley and Dinah, if y'all are listening. Thank you for playing with me tonight. My next stream is going to be tomorrow night at 8 p.m. Eastern. I don't know what I'm doing yet tomorrow. This is the first time, I feel like in a minute, that I'm not fully sure what I'm going to be doing for a stream. I'm just going to kind of play it by ear tomorrow and see how I'm feeling. I have a few games in my library that I have not played yet that I want to play. So I might do a new game. We might just do something chill, like more Stardew or something. Thank you, Lettuce. We'll see. I'm kind of just gonna see how I feel tomorrow and play what I want or do whatever. A fun surprise. Exactly. A fun, cheeky little surprise. But thank you, mods, for doing the mod thing. Thank you to any of my lurkers. I'm not calling out your lurk. I'm just saying thank you and I love you. Thank you for any subs, resubs, bits as well tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. It means the fucking world to me. And yeah, thank you just for being here and hanging out. I am going to slowly look for someone to raid out to. Stick around for the raid if you can, but if you cannot, I entirely understand as well. Please take care of yourself and put yourself first. Always. Always, always. And also, here are my socials. I posted on Instagram as well as TikTok a few times yesterday, So check those out if you'd like. Here's the oopsies. Here's the Discord if you would like to join the Discord. If you want to know about stream specific stuff, definitely announcements in the Discord is where I share that info, as well as my Instagram stories and my Twitter. Let's find someone to write out to. I am definitely thinking about getting Taco Bell now. I might fuck around and get some Taco Bell. I think I have to. I'm thinking about it now and I'm hungry. I also just have not had Taco Bell. Literally, oh my god, I literally think the last time I had Taco Bell was whenever I was on my road trip to Electric Forest. When was Electric Forest? Electric Forest was, I think, April? It was a long time ago. Literally, Galman, I need it. I need my crunch wrap with beans instead of beef. No cheese, no sour cream, add guacamole. With the cinnamon twist. And the frozen special Mountain Dew drink. What is it called again? Taco Bell, yes. T-Bone, yeah, exactly. Y'all get it. What is that called? What is shit in a butt, exactly. What is that drink called? What is that special drink called? Baja Blast. That's what it was. I need me a Baja Blast freeze. I need it. Let's see. Who we gonna raid? Oh, I think I know who we're gonna raid. Bahama Mama Blast, exactly. Big titty bonker honkers. Cat! Cat, thank you for the $50 dono. Thank you for the 15 for Taco Bell. I appreciate you, Cat. Thank you so much. You're so kind. You're amazing. Taco Bell money, yay! $15 can get you a lot of Taco Bell. In USA money? No, Kat, thank you. That's more than enough for Taco Bell, for sure. Thank you so much, love. I appreciate you. Taco Hell, imagine. Taco Baco money, yay! Fucking Taco Bell for $15. Literally, I think my usual order is like literally around $5 or $6. So that's 3 rounds of Taco Bell right there, baby. Shit from there? Yeah, literally. Thank you, Kat. I appreciate you. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna do one more look-see for who to raid tonight. So many homies on tonight. Honestly, so many homies. The way my stomach is growling, I don't think I've eaten enough today, so I'm gonna grub. I'm gonna grub after stream. And this is also a reminder, if you also have not eaten enough, if you also have not eaten enough today, please eat. $1 stuff, if only. Okay, I know who we're raiding. Y'all know this human being, and I love them very much. And they are also playing Phasmophobia, and we were playing Phasmophobia a little bit tonight. I'm raiding into Nettie Cole. Nettie uses she/her pronouns. She's awesome. Like, I love her very, very much. And especially if you are a horror junkie, she does a bunch of horror over there. So stick around for the raid. Again, here are the socials. Here's the Discord. Here's the raid messages. Raid 2? We do stand Nettie. We really do. She's a homie, so definitely stick around to support and whatnot if you can. And whenever we get there, make sure to refresh your stream so that your cute view counts as a real one. All right, but copy the first raid message if you are subbed to me. If you are not subbed to me, or if you just want to, please copy the second one. I know we love Nettie so heckin' much. Raid out song, please. And thank you. I appreciate y'all for everything. Thank you for being here. Thank you for hanging out with me. Oh, charity, STD. 1 week from tomorrow, I'm having a charity stream. If you didn't know, now you know. It'd be really cool if you came, even if you just came to host and lurk to support the stream. I love you all very much. I will see you over in Nutty's chat. Please, please, please take care of yourself. Drink all the water, eat all the good food, take your meds when you need to. I'll see you tomorrow night at 8 p.m. Eastern for another stream. Don't know what I'm doing yet. It'll be a cheeky little surprise. I love you. Good night.